go. I turn a 2 to a 4. I turn a 4 to an 8. I got some paper on the way. I got a lot on my plate. Money be long like I'm Jake. I had to clean off my slate. I had to cut off some snakes, nigga. Let's go. I turn a 5 to a 10. I turn a 10 to a 20. I'm getting cheap like Chucky. I'm getting green, not lucky. 5-star food in my stomach. Young nigga came up from nothing. We done turn nothing to something. Bitch, I got bags to fill. We getting cash for real. Diamonds, my neck, this ain't stainless steel. I had a dream and I made it real. Coming to markets, I came to kill. Most of these niggas be lame for real. Niggas go booming, bitch, you know the deal. Living my life and this shit be surreal. It's out of bags and I'm cracking the seal. Put anywhere, get a bag of Brazil. Blow my money, banana get peeled. Ballin' on niggas like Shaq and O'Neal. These niggas ain't getting racks, I can tell. Bitch, I've been grinding like I'm on a rail. I got some haters that want me to fail. Like Keenan to kill. Ayy, spread that shit out on the table. Too much paper, I need me a staple. Young nigga getting that bread like a bagel. Shit can get hot and it bit like potatoes. No, I don't got it, I ran out of favors. My money work for itself, ain't no label. Dropping the heat, but myself ain't no labels. 300,000 I made since April. Just bought a fat ass crib, it's spatial. Fuck around, give a bad bitch a facial. Fiction that nigga be telling me fables. Shutting shit down, bitch, I'm cutting the cables. I got some places that I wanna take you. I cannot force you, bitch, I cannot make you. I bet you solid, no way I can snake you. Would've been rich if I got all my thank yous. Put my bitch in designer, cause she gotta match my swag. We don't do no Lululemon. Got me some money and niggas start acting real funny, so I had to learn move different. Nasdaq jumping, I'm popping me a standing, I'm 30, I made me a rat 2 minutes. 5% tint on all of the cars I drive, you can't even tell who in it. Pull up here, some whipping a lamb chop, no, I ain't talking about no dinner. Rolling up high, cause bitch, I'm a hot head, I'm trying not to lose my temper. Think I'm addicted to money, I love when it print, I'm popping trays like pimpers. Play with the shit if you want it, I'm pumping your trunk, I knock your Shirley Temple, nigga. Let's go. I turn a 2 to a 4. I turn a 4 to an 8. I got some paper on the way. I got a lot on my plate. Money be long like I'm Jake. I had to clean off my slate. I had to cut off some snakes, nigga. Let's go. I turn a 5 to a 10. I turn a 10 to a 20. I'm getting cheap like Chucky. I'm getting green, not lucky. 5-star food in my stomach. Young nigga came up from nothing.
Hey,
We done turn nothing to something.
what's poppin',
Turn me up.
everybody?
Hey, turn me up.
Yo,
Oh
what's
god,
going,
I
Pete?
got my mic turned up now, boy. I don't figure out how to do that shit. Y'all can hear me loud and clear and spill.
Yeah.
Pew,
I
pew.
don't gotta scream in it, bit, boy. We locked in. Oh shit.
Hey, nigga,
Nigga
that
offset.
interview was tough. Good shit.
Y'all fuck with that interview? Yeah, I was on that bitch
Yeah,
spitting that
yup. You
sauce. I ain't
definitely
gonna
gave
lie.
out
Yeah.
hella free sauce on
That
accident.
that interview, I was drunk as hell on that interview too.
I about to say
That
that
nigga
nigga was
fucking
feeding you what you was drinking for.
You said you was
feed me
drunk?
fucking Crown Royal, bro. Like he's like,
That
bro, he was like, I
syrupy
had this
ass
shit.
shit.
He was like, bro, he was like, I get this shit to all my guys. He was like, I get this shit to all my geez, one of y'all. He was like, I get this shit to all my goddamn all my guests and shit when they come on the goddamn show. And I was like, bet, like nigga, shit, you don't want to give me no liquor. We gonna be on this bitch for hours. I'm telling you. And I fuck around and got the longest goddamn podcast on the
Damn near
shit.
2 hours.
Yeah, it's 2 hours, slap sauce, bro. I watched the whole thing. I usually don't watch myself when it comes to like interviews and shit. But I went back and I watched that whole goddamn thing. Nigga, I was interested in the shit like I'm not even the one that's on it. I was like, boy, I was on that bitch spitting, boy.
No, you definitely gave out free sauce.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip all that shit too. Y'all gonna see me make fucking 15, 20 different content videos out there. Bitches for IG and shit. Y'all better goddamn yeah. That Crown ain't no gang, duh. I don't even drink brown. I only drink tequila.
He's a
I
freaky
I
ass
need to
nigga.
grow. I need to grow up. I need to grow the fuck up. You know what I mean? Hey, y'all want to hear some? Never mind. I ain't. Nah,
Yeah,
y'all can't
nah,
hear
fuck
nothing.
nah.
Never
Don't play no games, nigga.
mind. Nah, y'all can't hear it. Never mind. No,
You the worst.
never.
You the worst.
Bro, just know that I just worked on gang. I just got my home studio right, nigga.
You
The
out
same mic
the
right here
whip
I'm
with it?
talking on. I'm out the whip.
Oh
It's over with.
shit.
I done figured out. Yeah, when I say I'm about to be able to flood music back to back to back to back now, nigga, it's over with. Oh my god, it's over with.
Oh
I,
shit, he done
I
got
just
the settle.
It's over with. On my mom, it's raps, nigga. I done made about 4 songs already. Oh, gang, and all them bitches going bazookas, bitch.
Bro, what mic is you using, man?
The road mic, that bitch like $400. I went to Guitar Store to get this bitch. Guitar Center. I got the Rode mic and the motherfucking headphones to go with it. Oh, gang. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I mean. Yeah, we in this bitch. All right. So goddamn, yeah, what time is it? It's 9:08. I'm gonna give everybody a couple more minutes to hop on this motherfucker, man. We approaching 100 members. Y'all know Esco Boom and get on this bitch and flood shit out. Y'all ready for an amazing week in the motherfucking markets, man? Give me some flames in the chat, man. Talk to
I'm
me.
like, man, we like we.
Yeah. We in this
Get some
bitch.
motherfucking
So
pay.
you wasn't taking a picture of every meal
Yes,
ever.
I'm
Lord.
finna get all the pay.
We finna get all the
So no,
goddamn
where was
pay.
that? Let me see
I
them.
didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah, no,
Hey,
and
I
I
ain't
want
gonna
you to
lie.
take a picture of my breath.
Word on my mama. Did y'all nigga, did anybody hold gold or silver over the
Go,
weekend,
go,
bitch?
go.
What's
I
good?
should
Oh
have held silver, bro.
my
What's good,
God.
man?
I just held the fuck out that bitch and I just goddamn made 1,500 off the open, bitch. I'm so happy. I'm so goddamn happy, nigga. I was in them position for Friday and I called all the signals for y'all. No reason why y'all ain't in that bitch. No reason why y'all ain't rock that motherfucker. I called the whole goddamn shebang for y'all niggas, boy. I be giving y'all the plays. I be putting y'all in position. Y'all gotta take advantage of
All
this
you
shit.
gotta
I
do is,
rocked out.
I
I
be giving
rocked out.
niggas the positions. All you gotta do is listen.
All you gotta
I
do is
caught that. I
listen.
caught that position you called like 4:30 in the morning.
Boy,
Word to my
listen, boy.
dad on
Boy, listen,
Friday or
boy.
some shit.
Boy, I'm
That
talking about,
motherfucker
nigga.
was at 3:15 a.m. fo.
Boy, I'm
Well,
talking about,
3:50, 4:50, wherever y'all at.
He
bro,
called that
slap.
gold.
I was
Slap
sleep as
felt the
fuck.
ass, bitch. I swear to God, bitch. I've been up for God knows how long, bitch, trying to put this belt on these niggas, bro. I just had a feeling that this week that something sooner or later was coming on this chart, bro. I just know that it wasn't gonna be this. I knew that after last week's pullback and shit, bro, when that bitch like them like dumped off and shit, bro, and everybody was getting scared. I'm like, all right, nigga, nah, that shit ain't finna last too long, bro. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
that weekly
Eat
time
your
frame
food,
scared niggas.
Mm-hmm.
please.
Mm-mm. This shit too big bullish, bro. It's like Bitcoin when that bitch was going from goddamn 50 to 100K. Like, nigga, it's over with. Once that bitch gets set, ain't no turning that bitch back. You know what I mean? That's why I'm up. That's why y'all never see me call sales on gold or silver. Because I be knowing that the sale, even though the sales like a couple weeks ago, that bitch was dumping, don't get it fucked up. But the sales generally be short lived until that bitch really wants to get the dumping. You know what I'm saying? But when that bitch is overly bullish, bro, sales be short lived in the motherfucking nigga. On God, that bitch just turn around and get the
What are
wallet
you
and go
doing?
buy. So I just always wait for price to sell the fuck off and then
Put
catch
your
that
plate
bitch on
up
the back
first.
end. Catch that bitch on the back end. Tell her ass up to the upside, nigga. Come here, belt. Mamas. Ain't
That
no
nigga
bullshit.
said
BT.
belt.
Bro, looking at
Shorty said
BT.
she made 2,700 on
nice.
top step, bitch. That's what I like to see, nigga. You know what
He
I mean? Let
said
me get that
belt.
real quick. You know, we live on Zoom, nigga. We got 100+ members on this bitch. Y'all know how I get down. And she done make 2,700 off the gold open, nigga. That's what happens when you tap in with the right ones, nigga. Word. All right. Y'all had a good weekend. Y'all ready to get to this money?
The shit show.
Yeah.
For
Hell
sure.
yeah.
For sure. That's a bit. Y'all see me looking at Nas right the fuck now, but this bitch about to piss me the fuck off. Oh, mama, this bitch about to piss me the fuck off.
You
You
in
know what I
longs for
mean?
Hey,
Nas?
what up, y'all? What up? What up?
What up,
Yo.
Scary
Yeah.
Jerry? Scary Jerry. What's
Yo,
poppin'?
what it is?
What up? What up?
Hey
What's
Tracy,
poppin'?
you in a long for Nas?
Hell no.
Nah, I wanted to be. This shit about to piss me the fuck off though.
Yeah, that motherfucker is tanking.
I think I am looking for longs because the equal highs is absolutely fucking ridiculous up here. So I
Right.
already know that by the end of the week, like we're going to be at new all-time highs. She's creating way too much buy
Facts,
side
facts.
liquidity up here. So when it's all said and done, this bitch is gonna be flying up here. But honest opinion, like especially the way this bitch dumping off right now, bro, that bitch don't break structure builders sometime soon. I think she's gonna come back here and smack this 4 hour inversion. Y'all gotta mute y'all shits. Hold on. I think she's gonna come down. If she don't got them break structure bullets soon, bro, I think she's gonna come back down here because last week she stopped short of this 50%. Stopped short of that bitch. So now we got fucking trend line liquidity and shit. It's like right here. And the 50% is right there. So if this bitch don't goddamn break structure bullets sometime soon, bro, which I would expect for it to happen from like somewhere where the fuck we sitting at, and I need to go ahead and happen ASAP because that bitch pissed me the fuck off. That bitch don't happen from there, it's gonna happen from here. But eventually, y'all know the point, bro. That bitch break is over with. It's over with. So shit, we go ahead and get the shit started. Shit, we here on Nas. You gonna get my food? My food just got here. You can get it. Thank you. We just got on Nas and y'all getting the analysis now. So let's go ahead and get this shit started. All right. So once again, this bitch is overly motherfucking bullish, bro. Like this price action can't be ignored, especially with all the equal highs sitting all up here, bro. So that's my target for the week. Probably past that, but all the shit is stopping short of this gap. So that's my target, bro. I want to see price come and fill this goddamn gap and come clip these highs. I am overly bullish. All right, overly bullish. Let's see the weekly close. This week close on top of last week, overly bullish. You know what I'm saying? And last week's low is where? All the way down here. Let me see. Maximum time week. That's inside of that. Okay. Okay. So once again, I'm paying attention to this price action right here because we have this big ass inversion FVG right here, and price failed to get 50% of it last week, except for like these taps right here. But I don't think that's I think that Price has a good chance to potentially come down here and run this trend line down. You know what I'm saying? Before the next goddamn buy. Now I could be wrong with that, but I gotta play this bitch level by level to understand. You know what I mean? So currently we're sitting inside of a fucking inversion FVG. We start coming down to the lower time frame. We inside a lower time frame FVGs that haven't been filled yet. And that's why y'all see me looking at the lower time frame and see if this bitch is gonna give some type of breaker structure bullish move. To go ahead and start wilding back up to the upside. And the reason why I specifically want buys is because of this price action here. All right. So you see right before she flew up, this bitch sold down to go take out a significant swing low here. And then here's your breaker structure bullish. You feel what I'm saying? So she's just coming back to getting the higher time frame gaps that came from that move. That's why I'm looking for potential bullishness from it. But I also understand that if this bitch does not show hand from here, it's going down in this bitch. You see what I'm saying? It's going down in this bitch. So I'm just looking for the next potential area to got them go ahead and rock this bitch up. I'm definitely looking for buys. I definitely think that she ain't gonna run this motherfucking low. I think she gonna bear the fuck minimum, bro. She's either gonna do this shit from here, like come down and get this gap, and then from there bounce up to come like get some of these imbalances she left on this dump. So I do want to start looking for buys potentially tonight to like get back up here and get the imbalances. I don't think this bitch is gonna dump all the way the fuck down like that without at least coming back to come and try to retest that gap. You know what I mean? So I definitely gonna start looking for something. But yeah, that's where I'm at with Silver. I mean, that's where I'm at with Nas. I'm overly bullish, but we just got to pay attention to what key areas this bitch is gonna buy from. And for me, it's only two areas we can pay attention to. A, this down here once again. These little gaps down here, 5 minute gap right here, right? It's right below current price action. She's kind of inducing that bitch. That's why we see price still dumping the fuck off, pissing me off. All right. And then the second one being if she was to break all below these gaps, then that higher time frame gap I was telling you about with the trend line. All right, so two key areas and I'm paying attention to, but I'm still overly bullish no matter which key area it goes to. It's either from here, so let me go ahead and give you the final. Yeah. It's either here, up, or here, up. Now it's hard for me to understand based on this price action which one she's gonna go off of. So all I'm gonna do is just wait for price to get to said areas. And then once she gets there, I zoom into the lower time frame and look for confirmation. That's all the nigga gotta do. You dig what I'm saying? So I'm just being patient. Now this is one, and down here is the other. Nigga, just sit, be patient, and wait to see what the fuck happens once price gets to these areas, and that gives a determination of which area she's going to go from. All right, which means be patient, wait for price to pull back, and then we're gonna whip the fuck out her ass for the way back up. Y'all understand? You just smelling what I'm selling. Give me ones. Simple enough, right? You smelling what I'm selling in this bitch?
One.
One. Simple enough. 122 on this bitch, nigga. I need at least 100 ones. I'm getting off. I ain't playing with y'all. I ain't playing with y'all.
Tracy, I got a quick question.
Spit.
I started like kind of marking out order blocks and like taking entries off of those. When you draw those up, like if I drop a box, are the entries off of those like a fair value gap? Like you do
50%.
50%? Okay.
Yeah. I treat it the same way.
Okay.
I treat it the exact same way.
All
Yeah,
right,
man.
say less.
50% or better.
Yep,
Yeah.
that's cool.
All right.
Appreciate you.
One.
Yep. One. KK gone. You all late. Oh, man.
I'm over here get my baby ready. Chill, bro.
Man, you good. You good. You good. All right. Good ones. Good ones for
Aw.
sure. Dog, that baby, that baby CS right there. That
Bro.
baby CS. You know what I'm saying? That
Yes,
next.
Hey, fuck the
sir.
bullshit. I'm gonna drop it in the chat. She made her first bucket today too. We lit, nigga.
Hell nah. She ain't dropped that bitch in the basket, did she?
Oh God, she did.
Oh shit, nigga. Oh shit. I dunk her little ass.
I'm gonna fuck you up. I
Give a
gotta
fuck.
shoot you.
Give a
I
fuck
gotta
about none of
shoot
that.
you.
I dunk all on your baby between the legs and all, nigga. Give a fuck about none of that. Yo, I was posterized. Like you remember how I goddamn got how Wade through the goddamn how Mario Chalmers
Yeah.
through the goddamn
And
alley
looked
to
away,
motherfucking
ran
Bron.
away.
Oh gang, like nigga, I'm a dunk all over her ass, nigga. Fucking pull off some goddamn dunk contest shit.
I'm the only one
Jump.
that could do my baby greasy, bro.
I'm not mad at that. I ain't mad at that. My push off game nasty too. I will make your baby fall. I will push off and make her hit the fucking face first, nigga, and then act like I did it myself. On gang, I will.
I'm crying.
Damn.
If I
Damn.
catch you pushing a
Y'all
baby, I'm gonna have to jump on you.
y'all want to leave me no goddamn kids. Don't leave me no kids.
Right, stick up for
getting
y'all
dunked.
niece, bro.
They getting dunked on and on
That
gang. They is getting
nigga
crunk,
wild,
man.
Hello,
man.
911.
Hello,
I don't
hello,
care.
For
911.
real,
I
nigga
don't.
calling the laws on his ass.
You're going to jail.
I'm gonna dribble the
You're
ball
going
just
to
like
jail.
this right
He
here.
said you going to jail now.
I'm gonna dribble the rock like this right here. You feel what I'm saying? Baby gonna be guarding me. I'm gonna goddamn hit him with a little hezzy up, and then I'm gonna act like I'm running forward, and then I'm gonna snatch that baby the fuck back so nasty and push that little baby back on the back like that. Yee.
Hey, dude
You see
been
what I'm
This
thinking
saying?
lady
about
over
this
there,
for
you
hella
hear him?
long, folks.
Do you
What
hear
the
him?
hell, bro?
That baby
Excuse me,
dude.
You like
FBI. We have a serial baby abuser on the line. Can we get it?
ma'am,
I
that's what
don't,
you like? Ma'am over
Damn.
I
there.
don't care. This is what's called the rites of passage. You feel what I'm
Nah,
saying?
real
Like
shit
this is what's
though.
What
called
the fuck is all
this
eating?
right
That shit
here,
smoky.
Please
bro.
don't have
This
no
right
But
baby.
here.
make his first basket.
The rites of passage. She done made her first bet. She old enough to make her first back. She old enough to get dunked on. Tell shit me. Hell you talking about, nigga? Right, Mia? Hell yeah. She old enough to make her first back. She old enough to get her shit dunked on.
That
And she got
right.
a full head of hair. She could definitely get dunked on. Vamos.
Y'all not peeping shorty.
Hey,
Mm.
she in
She
that court
grabbed it. She grabbed
tomorrow.
the camera like, what, nigga? Who?
She
Right.
He said,
laying up
fuck
and
the
down on
kids.
her.
Okay. We don't care nothing about them goddamn kids, nigga. We don't give no sympathy just because you younger.
What
You
is
can get
this?
in the belt. No game. All right. Next pair. Nas better got. I want Nas to fucking start buying so fucking bad, bro. This bitch is leaving all these highs, bro. But she just retested that gap. That inversion theory I be teaching y'all, boy. On the money. Word on my mama, on the money, boy. What is this bitch trying to do though, boy? I mean, I already know what she's trying to do, but how low do you want to go? How low do you really want to go, nigga? I don't think you want to go that low, especially because Friday closed on top of Thursday. So you don't want to go that low, do you? It's with all this buy side up here. You ain't trying to do all that now. Yeah, I mean, you ain't, unless you just on Sunday bullshit, which is what Price tends to do, is be on bullshit on Sundays. I mean, so we'll see. Where the fuck my Zoom shit at? Damn, give me a second, y'all. Oh, y'all be drawing on my screen and shit.
Hear me? Hello? I don't think I. You see
Hello.
that gap? You see that gap right there? Is that a volume?
Yeah,
What you call them?
yeah.
A volume imbalance?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yep, yes it is. Right up. Ow.
Okay. What about the green one under that one? To the
Bow.
no, under.
Bow.
Yes.
Yeah. All
Okay.
on.
All right. Let's go.
All on. Nothing. She's talking about some let's go.
Trying to get my eye
Oh,
right, man. Trying to
oh,
get the smart money eye. So
good word. Good word. Good word. That smart money
appreciate
eyes
it.
never
Yeah,
gonna never
appreciate
gonna fail you, boy. Dang. All right. Yeah, that Nas right there. All right, let's get to the money. Where's gold? Fuck the bullshit. We already went over gold? No, we did not. New all-time highs on a fucking Sunday. Are you hitting me? Tell me gold doesn't love quarter points on the money. Where that bitch stop at? 4,600. Why do y'all think I love quarter points on gold? I'm not a quarter point trader by far. But gold loves quarter points. 25,
What
50,
y'all, man,
75,
dude?
whole number. You know what I mean? So for those that don't know, oh, I just bought gold. I don't know where to take it. Here's a little gem. Here's a little gem. Every 25 points. I'm talking about. Let me cook real quick. Let me cook. Let me cook. Let me put that bitch in the pot. Let me put that bitch in the pot. Goddamn,
Put it
whip
in the
that bitch up
pot,
like that right
cuz.
there. Oh, every 25 points for the win. You know what I mean? So she done close, nigga, next buy, depending on where that bitch is at. You know, gang, take it up to 45, 75. 45, 45 motherfucking 4,600, 46.25, 46.50, and correlate your liquidity in between. I mean, that's how you put that motherfucking belt, nigga. I'm telling you. Right?
That was some motherfucking gumbo right there.
That's what I do is give out slap gumbo, nigga. That's what I do. I
Shit.
mean, give out slap gumbo, nigga. All right. So yeah, gold, new all-time highs. Y'all know what time it is with gold, bro. Overly bullish. You already know what time it is. You see what I'm saying? Nigga, it's on that type time again. The only thing I'm scared of with gold is that, and I'm not even scared of it. Like I would love for her to pull down and get it, but that's just a super deep ass pullback. Like look how far she went without coming to get that bitch. It pisses me off because I'm in silver right now, and silver came and got that motherfucking gap on the money. I'm gonna show y'all. Silver created a new week opening gap too, and that bitch came down and filled that bitch in on the goddamn money. Look at the 1 minute. Let me delete everything. Look at that gap right there. You can't even see that bitch. That bitch so crazy, bro. But here's the gap. The gap is Friday's close, which is low. Sunday's open, which is up there. That's the fucking gap. You see what I'm saying? And she created that bitch instantly within the next minute, pulled back within the next. She opened up here within the next 2 minutes, 6:02. She done filled in that goddamn gap. And me and my producer, me and my student. I don't know if he on his goddamn call now. I think my nigga Joe on his call. But goddamn, we was in this bitch just staring at this mother. That's why I just seen me post that reel. Goddamn, me and this nigga was just staring at that bitch. And I was like, bro, if she respect this motherfucking new week opening gap, this bitch is about to fucking fly. And it did exactly that. And nigga gone. You know what I'm saying? Out of there. So, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm kind of fucking with silver just a little bit more on some type time where not necessarily silver looks better than gold, but some type time to where the new week open the gap has already got filled on this one. So if this bitch comes all the way back downhill, then I'm gonna be looking at this bitch more iffy. If gold comes all the way down there, that can still be a potential for a buy. If silver gets all the way down there, I'm not liking that because it already get filled. It's a little difference in that bitch. You see what I'm saying? So that's why I'm fucking with silver. Because silver done already got what it needed to get. So for me, it's no reason to come back down here. If it does, it's bearishness. Gold, nigga, gold has a potential to keep motherfucking going without coming back to get that bitch. If she's on that type time. Because y'all see what the fuck she did off the open. So she can definitely be on this type time this week. You know what I mean? If she don't want to come back and get that bitch, she don't got to. And that's why I'm kind of a little bit more on silver's type time. Because silver already filled in the key areas it needs to get in order to blast off like that. Gold stopped short of it. Gold didn't even pull back to get it. It ain't stopped short. It just kept fucking going. I mean, y'all know how gold and silver get when these bitches is overly bullish, nigga. They will go without stopping, nigga. And this could very well be that point where these bitches get to going without stopping, nigga. We getting that bull run just like how we had in the middle of the year. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, it's that motherfucking time, nigga. Quit playing. You know what I mean? So, it's you know what I mean? It's time for niggas to start making some pay. I ain't gonna lie, it's time for niggas to start making some motherfucking pay, bro. As far as where I'm looking for buys from, obviously we're in new all-time high range, which means I can't go to the left and figure out when and where this bitch is gonna sell off at. We are at times where this bitch can do whatever the fuck it wants to do whenever it wants to do it. Do you understand? This bitch can either keep on goddamn buying to the moon or it can drop off the hill right the fuck now. And guess who can't predict it because we ain't never been this high? Us. So what's the only thing we can do trading new all-time highs? What do I always say
Wait.
when it comes to huh?
Wait for the
Say it
pullback.
again.
Just
Buy
wait.
till it's for sure
Bye.
otherwise.
Buy until it fails. Exactly. Buy until it fails. All right. We don't got no choice. You got to accept the risk a little bit here. You don't know when it's gonna dump. All we can do is catch these motherfucking pullbacks, nigga. Keep going with these motherfucking bullish signs and just hope this bitch stay bullish, which is looking like it's gonna stay bullish. But remember, you don't know what point at new all-time highs she can dump. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. We all trading at new all-time highs, especially when you catching minimal pullbacks. Gold like to fucking pull back something like this and just keep fucking going. So like when it comes to like those deep ass pullbacks, you don't necessarily get them as much when this bitch is overly bullish. So when you're buying high, definitely make sure that you're goddamn trailing your risk. I mean, goddamn managing your risk wisely. You understand? Um, but yeah, that's where we at with this shit, bro. Just keep buying till the trend fails. That's the only thing we can do. So obviously, FVGs are where I'm looking to buy at. Let me see if I can get this down to one gap. That new week opening gap will obviously be the best possible entry. As far as the deepest pullback, I do not want price to violate this new week opening gap. If she does, I go bearish. I go short-term bearish. You see what I'm saying? For like liquidity. You know what I mean? Not overall bearish, but that can be a sign of price wanting to reverse. We had new all-time highs. What's the only thing we could look at? The bullish shit that's below price. And just see if price breaks it. You know what I'm saying? So if price ever breaks below that new week opening gap, that's when I switch everything. Like, all right, bitch, I ain't looking for those. I ain't looking for these crazy buys no more. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, as long as we stay on top of that, bitch, I'm looking for every pullback crazy buy. Don't gang, every single one of them bitches, nigga. This could be a week where a nigga turn them 110K shit y'all be seeing me do, be on shit like this. Where price is just overly bullish that any minimal pullback you can just buy and ride the trend back up. You see what I'm saying? That's what type of time y'all finna see me on this week. If this bitch go fucking crazy, you gonna see me pull off some shit. You gonna be like, all right, how you do it? I'm telling you right now on Sunday, I'm doing it. If this bitch stay goddamn bullish, every pullback leads to a new all-time high run. Every single one. And y'all know that because it did this shit all last year. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't saying it is gonna be on that tight time, but it's definitely looking so. Can't predict, just react. So be ready. and let's see what the fuck gold got going on this week, baby. You know what I mean?
Tracy.
What's
So
poppin'?
when you're doing the pullbacks you're talking about, when you're looking at those pullbacks, what time frame do you generally like be looking?
All up. I
Okay.
wait for price to pull down to a higher time frame area. Higher time frame areas being gaps. Wait for price to get there, then zoom into a lower time frame and look for a confirmation to enter. So it's a correlation of all time frames, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like as far as like my go-to time frame for the entry, probably like the 5 minute or the 15 minute. I don't really like going to the one. The only reason I be looking at the one is because I be on Zoom with y'all. I really like the 3 minute and the 5 minute because the higher time frame you looking at when it comes to the lower time frames, 1, 3, 5, 15, 30. When it comes to that shit, the higher obviously the higher the time frame, the more weight the areas is gonna hold. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
1 minute areas get manipulated. 3 minute areas, not as much. 5 minute areas, not as much. 15 minutes, you know what I mean? You know what I
Yeah.
mean? So I like to go with a general time frame to where it's just enough information for shit to make sense. And that for me would be a 5 and a 15.
All right. Bet.
Yeah.
So in general, you looking for that fair value gap every single time, you know what I'm saying? So you can
Damn
see where
skippy.
you need to get in at, and then on a 5 or 3, that's whenever you're gonna decide to take your entry.
Correct.
Bet.
Correct. All right, pretty simple. All right. Do you think it's better to trade on indices or commodities? Or both to not limit setups, nigga? Both. What type of question is that? Nas gonna get the fuck up. Gold gonna get the fuck up. I can't answer that. I trade both of them bitches. If which one would I and both of them bitches on new all-time high runs. All the fucking indices are pushing. All the motherfucking commodities are pushing. That's up to personal preference. That's not no answer. That's not no answer to that. And both of them bitches is risky too. All of them risky. All of them goddamn print more than currency pairs do. So that's a personal preference correct answer, to be honest. Like I don't think I can answer that question because I love both of the bitches. I'm gonna trade Nas just as much as I trade gold. I just gotta find the right setup for both of them bitches. I'm gonna get up in there. If gun to my head, bro, gold and silver. I ain't gonna lie. Gun to my head, gold and silver.
Gold.
Yeah,
Oh.
oh god, gun to my head, gold and silver, bro. But that's not taking nothing away from Nas, nigga. Don't get it fucked up. Like Nas gonna get it the fuck up. Niggas love Nas. The only reason why niggas see me on gold and silver so much, especially silver, that's a newfound baby. You ain't never seen me got them trade silver until the end of this year. You know what I'm saying? So that's some new shit. And I'm on her ass now. Yeah, that's why I'm on silver's ass so much. And gold, obviously, because we know how bullish it is. So it's easy money once she gets to flying. You know what I mean? But once again, that's why we on they ass so much, is because it's a little bit easier to pay attention to. But Nas, yeah, don't sleep on Nas, nigga. That's easy.
Gotta love Nas, man.
Gotta love you some goddamn nasty Naziani. Nasty Nas, baby. She gonna get up every song.
She be acting weird sometimes.
Yeah.
She don't get that bitch up.
She gonna get that bitch up. You know what I mean? As long as you treat her right, she gonna get you right. Man. Question: what about if it goes to a quarter level? Would that be a good entry for it? For me, those are just targets. I don't like retests of quarter points. I just like aiming for quarter points. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? That's just moi. I like aiming for quarter points. I don't like buying off quarter points. And I definitely don't like selling off of quarter points because the shit is overly bullish. So I just like aiming for them. All right, my entries are based off of price action. My targets can be based off of quarter points. The entries are always based off of price action though. Silver. All right, bet. Twos in chat for gold. Makes sense. Wait for the next pullback. Go with the trend till it fails. Twos.
Two.
Okay.
Yeah, two.
136 on this bitch, and I only see goddamn 15 twos. Quit playing in here. I'll waste all
I
y'all
ain't paying
time in this
attention,
bitch.
man.
I'll waste all y'all time in this motherfucker.
Two.
God. Yeah, dose. Quit playing with this shit. You know
Big motherfucking Esco.
The biggest, you hear me? Word up, we in this bitch.
The greatest.
Humbly speaking. Thank you. And good twos. Say less. Let's go to silver. Let's go to our new phone. Let's go to our newfound baby. Silver. How many we got on the YouTube live? I'm curious. Hold on. Let me see something real quick.
Should be all right.
Let me see something real quick. We've been doing good on YouTube. 16 deep on YouTube. So we got about 155 motherfuckers tapped in on the Zizoom right now, nigga. That's what happens when Big Esco Boomin come on this bitch, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Big Esco Boomin gonna bring them out. Cause they niggas know where that money at, nigga. I'm the only nigga doing it like this. Remember that. Slayer's on top, nigga. Hey. Silver. Let's get to it. Silver, silver, silver. There we go. All right, same thing as gold. Blast the fuck off. Oh my God. And I caught every single piece of it because I held that bitch through Friday. I literally bought this motherfucker right before the market closed on the expectation that that bitch was going to fly. My entry was right below the new week opening gap. And I was like, bro, there's no way this bitch ain't going to fly. Because right before the market closed, this bitch ran lows and then broke up and then ran lows and broke up again. I'm like, there's no way this bitch ain't going to fly prior to the market. There ain't no way that we don't gap up on Sunday. There's no fucking way. Now, did I think we was gonna go to new all-time highs? Hell no, I ain't think all that was gonna happen. I mean, but I definitely thought we was gonna get us a little gap, and I was gonna TP at those highs. But the market opened on top of those fucking highs. It just got them going. I'm like, shit, fuck it, let's ride. And she just kept fucking going without fucking
I don't
turning
think we
around. I'm
got
like,
no
all right.
more.
I mean, so that's where I was at with it. But yeah, I caught every single piece of this bitch. That was fucking that was 1,500 off the market open. I ain't secured the whole 1,500. I secured 700, and I'm floating another goddamn yeah. But total as so far that 1,500 off the market open. You know what I mean, so that's beautiful work. And where am I at with this? Same time I'm on with got them gold, bro. We overly bullish. You don't know when this bitch is gonna dump, so we keep buying the motherfucking pullbacks. Once again, I like silver's price action a lot better than gold's because all the gaps and things like that I would like to see hit. Besides what got created today, pretty much already got filled. So the only reason this bitch would dump was if it would be like overly bearish. But I'm going to treat it on the same type time as gold, where as long as we respect new week opening gap, we're going to keep this shit pushing. You feel what I'm saying? With silver, I don't know if she's gonna get back down here or not. Like she very much could. Don't get it fucked up, but as I said earlier, silver done already tapped this bitch. Gold didn't. But if gold comes down to tap its new week opening gap, silver is probably gonna follow suit because y'all know they correlate to a certain extent. So it's just all about what the fuck happens, bro. You know what I mean? Like we're in no man's land right now. The only thing we do know is that we just secured new all-time highs and price couldn't close on top of that bitch. That's what I do know, which is why we see Price bringing his ass back down. The second this bitch closes on back on top of new all-time highs, nigga, we're gonna see this bitch rock out for the next quarter point because it's just coincidentally that this bitch closes or stops right at, let's see, 94. Am I not telling y'all that commodities love quarter points? Am I not telling y'all that? And we seen gold stopped at 4,600 and silver just stopped at 84 on the money. So you want to know where to take price to? Quarter points. That's free sauce, nigga. I should charge y'all niggas fucking 5 bands for it, nigga. But I'm not. I mean, that's not 5 bands worth of sauce, but that's some sauce, nigga. That's some sauce. All right, quarter points. All right. So next buy for me, I'm gonna start looking at this motherfucking. Once again, I love silver's price action a lot better. This balanced price range. All right. This balanced price range. This will be my next entry if we can pull back to get this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Now, see how she's dancing inside this 1 hour FVG right here? Like, she's already trying to dance in this bitch and get rejections from that. I'm not even going to be mad if that bitch flies from here. But I didn't buy it right there. For me to get my next entries, if she pulls back to where I want her to come to, which would just be a little bit lower inside this gap, or overly break structure bullish from this bitch to the point where I know that she ain't going to come down here and get it. But as of right now, bitch, you done left equal lows right here and so it's like, nigga, you damn near setting up to bring your ass back down there and go clap it. You know what I'm saying? So I want to see what that balanced price range look like out that 50% to take that bitch right back up to new all-time highs. If she breaks below that gap, I'm not going to necessarily say she's bearish because there's a big ass gap right below it, and we got new week opening gap. My overall bearishness doesn't come to the play unless we break the new week opening gap. Once, as I said on gold, we stay on top of this bitch, nigga. All pullbacks are valid. I don't care if she comes all the way down here. That bitch respect, we going right back up. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at with it. But I also understand that silver don't gotta pull all the way back down here. That bitch loves the most important areas. And out of all these gaps, considering the fact that new week opening gap and already got tapped, what's more important? This FVG right here with 3 different ones in the exact same area, or this one with just one right down here? Which one you think Price is gonna choose the goddamn yeah off of? Bammy. The more gaps stacked in the same area, the more stronger that key area is. And that's why I want to look for a buy here as opposed to down here. Now, once again, if she comes down here, that's That's not me saying I ain't gonna look for buys. I'm 100% gonna look for buys if this bitch comes down here or even comes down there. But as of right now, I think she's gonna react from there and kind of stop short of this shit. So that's where I'm at with it. Allow this bitch to pull the fuck back. Allow this bitch to do what it need to do. We just fucking went overly bullish, so it's due for a pullback. And obviously we've been pulling back for the last hour or so. Let that bitch do exactly what it need to do. Wait for the best pullback possible. I mean, and then clap y'all next entries, bro, and just buy and hold, nigga. Just buy and hold. You know what I'm saying? Because we can overly get crazy this week, bro. We can really get crazy. But we ain't gonna know until we see. All right. Yeah, yes. Are y'all smelling what I'm selling? Y'all get where I'm at with goddamn silver. Give me fives.
Yeah.
Give me fives.
5,
Hey,
5.
hey Tracy,
Mm.
when you draw up that on the new opening gap, when you draw that up, what are you drawing it from the wicks or the bodies?
The bodies, the closes of the candles.
Okay.
Open and
You
close.
you would pretty much call those resistance or support levels, right?
Yep. This is where true support resistance comes into play at FVGs. For me, I don't just go off of any random support and resistance level. You got to understand why support and resistance is even a support and resistance, nigga. What makes these lows hold weight? What makes these highs hold weight? 9 times out of 10, these FVGs getting filled. Either that or prices stopping short of it, which is another concept that I teach. All right. So yeah, look at Silver react. Tell me that this ain't. I mean, once again, I did want her to pull just a little bit deeper, but if I draw my attention from this shit right here to like just the regular FVG that's right here, y'all see where she reacting off of, bro?
That 50%.
That 50% on the money, bro. Don't tell me, don't even question if goddamn these FVGs hold weight. The answer is yeah. Don't even question it. You know what I'm saying? The answer is yes to a T. You understand? On the money. All right.
I'm in the
Easy money.
middle.
Look at that bitch break structure bullets from that bitch. Now I would start looking for buys again. Because that bitch done broke structure bullets. That's what I mean when I say show be signs that you don't want to pull back all the way. That's what I mean. Bitch came down here, got this key area, and then broke structure bullets from a lower time frame. Now I'll start looking for buys on the next pullback to come back here and get these highs. Gang,
How
watch
you
where
got
this
that
bitch at.
50% line on the drawing?
Draw up a box. All right. Hit the settings tab. When that bitch pop up, hit style, click middle line.
Yes, sir.
I got in silver off that 1 hour CRT.
No game. That's what it is too. 1 hour CRT for the win.
Yeah.
Now if this candlestick closes, if this candlestick closes like this, bitch, you know it's about to happen for the next hour. Right back up. Deuces.
Oh man.
Time and price correlation at its finest. Course. Course.
Hey, bro, do platinum since we already on metals.
Nah.
Come on, why?
Nah.
You said that last
Nah.
time and then you was impressed with the chart, bro.
Nah.
Come on now.
Nah, Jerry. I don't want to look at platinum, Jerry. Oh, no, I got you. All right. Before I go to
Hey,
platinum,
platinum going up.
platinum been
Why
going
he
up. That's why
doing me
Jerry
like
been on
that?
platinum's ass. That bitch doing this thing. Thizzle and our analysis from last week was on the goddamn money, won't it?
Yes,
Oh,
it
gang,
was.
it was. Come on, now that's what we do. All right. Now you
That
already
was
know where this bitch going. She created new week open. She
look at
created
that
new week
gap.
open a gap, and she got an FVG right the fuck down there. I think you know where you need to buy.
Okay,
Take
cool.
it right up. Take it right up there to that gap. She break on top of that to the moon. Pretty simple analysis right here. Overly fucking bullish. Don't even got to do too much top down to know that this bitch is overly bullish. You know what
I
I'm saying? But if we
appreciate you.
do,
That's yeah.
look at that BPR that we identified. Look at how price couldn't even close below that bitch, bro. You know what I'm saying? Everything last week was on the money. She just wicked down to come get this motherfucker. Them candles closed right when she needed to close. Reaction from that 50. Push. So you already know where this bitch going. She going to new all-time highs, nigga. If that is new all-time highs, is it? Yes, it is. New all-time highs. That's what she on the way to. So catch the next pullback and put that belt on her ass, Joe.
Appreciate you, bro.
For
Appreciate
sure.
you.
Easy money on. Easy money on. All
This might
right.
be a dumb question. This might be a dumb question, but you got any idea on why NAS reacts totally different from, majority of any other pairs? US 30 does it sometimes as well as S&P 500. Like, I totally understand what you're saying from, the metals, like, easily. But when you was going over NAS, there's so many different levels, so many different fair value gaps that I've seen. Maybe I was just a little slow on that. You know what I'm saying?
Sure. No, every like thing that you trade as far as pairs, indices, commodities, whatever, they all have their own tendencies in the way that they move. You know what I'm saying? So like it's just one thing to kind of understand how price actually moves. We don't understand that Nas is a little bit more up and down You feel what I'm saying? Nas goddamn, you feel what I'm saying? She goddamn has her own characteristics. Indexes by themselves, indices by themselves have their own characteristics versus commodities versus currency pairs. You feel what I'm saying? You're dealing with a different motherfucking market. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Nasdaq is fucking owned by fucking like Nasdaq got how many companies in that bitch? You know what I'm saying? This ain't just ain't its own currency. You feel what I'm saying? This is something that's affected by the money that niggas put in and out that motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? Top 100 techs, exactly. You know what I'm saying? So like this is something that's affected by what the fuck is going on versus like them currency periods would have their own tendencies to move based on the value of goddamn countries' currencies or what the fuck is going on, like the fluctuation rates, the red folders, right? That's what makes these motherfuckers moves. Then you got the goddamn commodities like gold and silver, which is pushing there all because everybody's scared of the US dollar going down. So they throwing all their motherfucking money in the silver and gold. That's fucking fun. That's fundamentals behind it that lets us know this bitch should keep on flying. So the characteristics of the goddamn gold will be when it's bullish, buy every motherfucking pullback. Nasdaq, you played a little bit differently based on what's going on a daily basis. I play Nasdaq. It's a lot more analysis involved in when I'm buying and when I'm selling. Gold, silver is a little bit more easy to be like, it's bullish, buy the pullback. You see what I'm saying? Nasdaq has a little bit more factors into how that bitch moves. But in a nutshell, that's generally why they move different, bro. It's because it's a different market in general, and different markets move in different ways. You see what I'm saying?
Understood.
That makes sense?
Yeah. Yeah, it definitely do. Yeah. It's shit that I already know type shit, you know what I'm saying? But just to ask, it's kind of like,
Yeah,
damn.
just to get a little extra confirmation on that bitch. That's all. It ain't nothing to overthink on some shit. You feel what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to overthink at all. Once again, it's just understanding how different markets move, bro. And if you understand how different markets move, you play it differently. If I know that gold respects FEGs a lot more than and Nas prints a lot more FEGs and may or may not respect them, then when gold pulls back to an FEG, I can just buy that bitch because I know more times than not that the FEG is probably gonna hold its weight. When it comes to fucking Nas, when price pulls back to FVGs, I may not have the confidence to just buy that bitch off the flap the second she gets there. I may need to zoom in on price and see a lower time frame confirmation from that bitch to know that price is gonna hold its weight from here. I may need to see extra confluences to know that this bitch is gonna hold its weight versus gold. I can just buy it with a little bit more confidence. Different motherfucking markets give you different tendencies. Different tendencies give you different ways to play it. Everybody, give me sixes. That makes sense.
Would you say like 15-minute FVGs and then scale in with to the like 1-5 time frame, get the entries in?
I go higher time frame. I go a little bit more higher when it comes to my correlations, like 4 hour. I'm not gonna give you all that shit, but for example,
Nah. I know. I seen you break it down.
You mean a 4 hour time frame? I go like 15 minutes. You see what I'm saying? When it comes to like my higher time frame versus lower time frames, I go a lot higher. I don't go 15-minute time frame, 1 minute confirmation. I'm looking 4 hour, 15-minute confirmation. I'm looking shit like that. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So that's what I pay attention to when it comes to like higher time frame gaps, lower time frame entries. It's a certain time frame based on the higher time frames that I look to correlate. And I just gave y'all one for free. I ain't getting y'all.
Yeah, that's a gem.
So for sure. All right. Yeah, that's platinum though. New all-time highs, nigga, and it's equal highs up there. Go get them. Where's gold? I seen somebody say that bitch was flying from the gap. That's what the fuck I do. And she done broke structure bullish, nigga. Silver done broke structure bullish
Yeah, I'm up
too.
a smooth 800 on motherfucking fund futures.
Yeah, I'm about to get in on my futures account. My goddamn self. So I passed my shit, but they telling me I ain't passed my shit because I made the paper too fast. That shit is annoying. Nigga, I got the 9,000.
Did you pass how much money you was supposed to make in a day? Like the percentage?
Bro, I didn't. Man, these
You
niggas
was
told me
panking
I
their
made.
ass though. I ain't gonna lie. You was
These
keeping
niggas
that
told
up.
me I made $5,900 in one day. That's too much. So they raised my motherfucking target goal. Now I got my
Oh
target
yeah,
goal.
you can only make you would not top step. Take profit.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
you
hit me
can't
with
make
that shit.
50% more in a day.
But
So
I
now
thought the
I
target
gotta
goal
make.
was like 9K though.
It is, bro. I made 9K in 2 days, and one day was 5,900. So that's more than half. You know what I'm saying? I was supposed to make $4,500 a piece, some shit like that a day.
Basically,
You know what
yeah.
I'm saying? But I didn't know that shit. So they telling me like, hey nigga, you had to make 9,000. Now you got to make 11,000. They like, nigga, make
Damn.
$2,000 more.
That ain't
I'm
shit for
like,
you though.
Shit, 2K
bro, I
more.
can make.
Do you got to do
I,
that in 50% too, or no?
that's what I don't know, bro. This shit is overly
You
confusing.
might as
Shit
well
pissing
just
me
take
off.
it in two. You know what I'm
And
saying?
I
2
got 3
sessions.
accounts, bro. Like, nigga, I didn't even know because they've been taxing my card every month. Like, nigga, they've been giving me fresh accounts every month. I ain't fucking know. Okay, so I got 3 of these bitches. Now I got 450 in capital. I just gotta pass the other 2. You see what I'm saying? Like, and I need
That's
one of y'all.
elite.
I need
Wait,
one of y'all
can't you
futures,
copy
nigga.
trade that motherfucker?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I need one of y'all
Yes, you
futures niggas to
can.
tell me how to copy trade them. Cause once I get all the bitches passed, nigga,
You just
that's
gonna have to pay for an account depending on what you know what I'm saying, what you trying to do. But they only like $20 a month.
what you talking about? Social trader?
Nah, it's another one. I'll find a link to it and send you it so you could look into it. But it ain't Social Trader.
Yeah, okay, for sure. That's what type of time I'm on with this shit.
But
Okay.
can you like manually like do one trade and
I'm gonna
that
show
the one
y'all too. I'm gonna
trade
show y'all too,
trade
so
for the
y'all know
other
I'm not
accounts?
capping too. I'm gonna show y'all so y'all know I'm not capping too. Look, on game. I gotta have the receipts. We on YouTube live, so let me show y'all. Okay, 2 days built the ass. These niggas
Ooh,
like,
and
nah.
once you pass it though, you ain't got to worry about that no more.
Look, so I didn't know I had these 2 accounts right here. I had no fucking idea until I logged in this weekend. I was like, nigga, I got 2 more accounts I didn't even fucking touch. I'm like, oh, okay, so I got past these bitches. Now I got fucking 450 in capital, nigga. That's half of M. Okay,
Rich.
bet. Yeah, I mean, here's the account I've been trading though. This is with futures. And here's my target. My target profit was 9,000. I got to 92.25 in 2 days. You see what I'm saying? Um, Here's the daily shit. The first day I made 5,900. The second day I made 3,300. But these niggas is like, this right here is more than half of what you made. You made more than half of the target in a day. I was only supposed to make $4,500 a day, and I didn't fucking know that shit. So now they like, and here's the math. They're like 5,900, and nigga, you made 64% in a day, and the most you can make is 50% in a day. I'm
But
like,
you
bet. So
you
next
see
day,
too, you still got 3 more days you got to trade as well to pass it. You got to do the 5 days.
hey, I know that, but nigga, shit, all I had to do was goddamn press the motherfucking buttons, nigga. I would have been green on that. All I had to do was goddamn pop a little goddamn little baby, get in and out. I wasn't tripping on that. You know what I mean? It was more or less just fucking this shit,
Yeah.
nigga. You know what I mean? Like, this shit right here was OD. So now they telling me I got to get to 11, damn near 12K. I got to make another 20 something hundred. You know what I mean? Like $2,800 on this bitch, and I got to do it with the consistency rules or whatever the fuck. I'm still trying to figure out the math on this shit. I don't know how this shit work. But nigga, we put belt to ass, nigga. Y'all remember the first time I failed the fuck out that bitch because I didn't know how to handle the lot sizes. I ain't know what the fuck to pop. Now I know what the fuck to pop. So nigga, and I ain't touched this shit all year. I had failed that bitch, and I got mad and I said fuck futures, nigga. Like, and I went back to motherfucking forex. I was like, nigga, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But then, nigga, I figured out these niggas been charging my card every single month for these accounts because I ain't passed. So I'm like, so I went back, and this is when I went and checked, and I'm like, damn, nigga, they still charge me for that one account, and I got two more. This must be God, nigga. This must be a sign. I take everything. I don't take nothing with a grain of salt. You understand? Like, I look at shit like that and be like, nigga, I didn't even know I got 450 in capital sitting right here, but I do. All I gotta do is fucking get it. You
P,
see what I'm
you realize
saying?
that shit showing your password, huh?
Huh, man? Who wait, man? That long ass purse, but I don't give a fuck. One of y'all niggas do that shit. Y'all niggas some bitches. Oh,
Hey,
game.
what made you
Nah,
want to go on top take profit trader?
student recommendations. I asked them. I trade forex. Goddamn, these niggas is the one that trade futures. So I just asked them which ones was the best one to go with, and they told me take
How much
profit.
that cost you for one of those accounts?
This I got 150,000. I had a promo code that knocked that shit down. The shit was like 230, 240, some shit like that. A lot cheaper than forex funded accounts. You know what got down? I got 150,000 for 240. You know how much you gonna got them pay for 150,000 with forex? Over $1,000 easily. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, like it's a lot cheaper. It's a lot more pros. You know what I'm saying? No
Yeah,
spread.
trading funding. What do you suggest doing to like get into one, how to
What you
handle
mean?
this shit?
What you
Like go
mean?
about it,
Uh,
basically. I ain't never really had one. I just been live trading.
You gotta, I mean, shit, the only reason you would get a prop firm is just to expedite your capital. If you don't have thousands of dollars to trade with and you want to get yourself there, then this will be the fastest way to do it is to either, well, ain't no either. Just get a prop firm and then get a withdrawal. The thing is that they give your ass rules to abide by, and niggas don't know how to abide by the rules. You know what I'm saying? Like they'll give your ass 150,000, and I can't lose more than 4K, and I got $150,000, and I can't lose no more than $4,000. So
Oh,
like,
so you
nigga,
gotta
that
wait till
alone,
last
like,
night.
okay, nigga, I really only got 4,000 to trade with. You see what I'm saying? Little shit like that. You feel what I'm saying? So like, they give nigga these parameter rules. They tell you got to make it. especially with futures, they done told me I gotta make X amount of money a day. You see what I'm saying? I can't lose more than X amount of money a day. They give you these goddamn rules, but because motherfuckers think that I got all this motherfucking money, I got 100,000, I got 50,000, I got 150,000, then they'll be able to just, you know what I mean, be able to like they just niggas think that more capital equals you can just hold trades longer or some shit. I don't know. Like it's just a mental goddamn demon that niggas deal with when they start dealing with more money. So
Hey, what?
your is to fucking abide by the motherfucking rules. I think it's that simple, but it's easier said than done. If they give your ass goddamn 100,000 and tell your ass don't lose more than goddamn 3-4,000, then nigga don't even look to risk that much money.
And
But
with
with
a
that, you know what I'm saying? With that much pay, with $150,000, nigga, all I gotta do is make fucking 10%. You know, that's over $10,000.
so you
You
can't
know what
can
I'm
you
saying?
trade on
Like,
news with this one or not? You can't trade news and shit like that.
I think I could trade news. I think so. Shit.
On
Okay.
certain
Hey,
accounts,
what?
it
What
depends
is?
what the
What is?
rules
It
is.
depends on
What
it
is?
depends on the broker you're using, the prop firm you're using.
All right,
What is? What is futures? I keep getting. I realize it's like different forex, so I don't really try to like get into it because I ain't trying to get confused with too
It ain't
much
nothing too,
shit.
it ain't nothing too goddamn crazy. To
Go
be
back in the
honest,
house.
to be honest, I couldn't even explain to you like what the fuck futures is. I ain't gonna cap to you. One of my futures want to come and answer that question. You wanna tell me exactly what futures is? All I'm gonna say is a fucking market I can trade, nigga. I ain't down there. I'm a forex nigga. I ain't no futures nigga.
Another
Anybody want to help out with
opportunity,
that?
goddamn.
I think them hoes like
I,
contracts or something.
it's something. You feel what I'm
Yeah,
saying? It's
I
something. I
think
don't
them
know
It's
what the
hoes
fuck
like
it's
it is.
It's
it's
some
it's
more
contracts.
literally
contracts than like
it's just
forex is.
contracts.
It's
You
just
just can't trade.
contract
Yeah, it's literally just contracts. You do
for
minis,
sure.
you do micros. That's it.
Yeah,
For
like on
sure.
Nasdaq, like Nasdaq mini might be like move $2, but Nasdaq might move like $20 every time.
Yeah,
Hey,
you gotta know what you're doing when you trade them full contracts instead of the micros and shit.
Say
Yeah,
what
like it's
again?
mini and micros.
spread list on
The
them all
minis,
too.
them bitches. Wait, no, the micros is not micro though.
Nah, that bitch is gonna bump.
Yeah, them
Hey,
bitches
Cisco,
them
I had
bitches
hit
be
your phone,
heavy.
bro. Hit me
If
when
you
you
pass
can
them,
back.
do you get real money or is it just for practice?
Nigga, what?
This
What
is
is
You
not
get
that?
a
real
drill,
money
bro.
if
This
you
not a
pass
What?
it.
drill. This the real thing.
No, this account right here is my evaluation phase. So the money I'm making on this account specifically, this I'm not making any money on. This is my evaluation phase. I gotta pass it, which I technically already did, but I fucked up the rules on, so I gotta do it again. But once I pass and got them
Are you
account, then
passing that
yeah,
light out of there?
every single dollar I make on top of that is mine. All you gotta do is pass. That's
Uh,
the thing about futures. It's like credit. You show these
Hey,
niggas what the fuck you know what the fuck you doing with their money, and they'll give it to you. Just like
Just
Tracy,
credit.
what
gotta
you think
pass the
about
books
So
down
one
Fund
to
the
step,
Hero?
the
Hey, Tracy, I had
10,
hit your
10
phone.
micros equal up
Just
to
go hit
1
me
million.
back when you can.
there's too many niggas talking. What's one at a time?
It's a one
What
step account.
Yeah, this is a one step account. Yes,
Yep,
What
yep,
you
yep.
think about Fund the Hero?
that's a forex prop firm. Nothing wrong with them. Abide by the rules. It's that
All
simple.
right.
So Tracy,
Go get you a fast pass. Go holler at Tyleek or goddamn
Yeah, I got
KJ or
that.
one of them. Yeah, all you gotta do is abide by the rules
Good
and
question,
get your
brother.
payout. What's up?
Well, what broker you recommend in the U.S. right now? Like give you like a
Hanko!
okay, Hanko trade.
Hanko for the win. Let me drop that motherfucking link in there, nigga. And you can get
Sir,
free
yes, sir.
signals with the dog all year. All you gotta do is fund up with Hanko. That's all you gotta do. You want free signals with me? You don't feel like paying for nothing. You want me to make you the pay necessary to tap in with the kid? Go on and fund up 250 or better, because the more the merrier. With this broker right the fuck here. I'm gonna drop it in all the chats right the fuck now. I can't get it on here, but what best yes I can.
They
Go
use
on, fund up
actually.
250 with Hanko and send me a screenshot when the fuck you finish, and you can get free signals with me all year, nigga. I'm not even playing. I'm so dead ass.
Yo,
Hold
Cisco,
on, I just funded that shit not too long ago.
Send me
I
a
just, yeah,
screenshot.
I bet I'm gonna do it right now.
Send
hey
me the
Cisco, I had
screenshot.
hit your
Yeah.
phone. Just hit me when you can back, bro.
Say that. Say that.
Well,
Say
they
that.
only
Say
do
that.
like live accounts, so you can get like a funded on Hanko.
No, it's live accounts. Yo, pay.
You said send a screenshot.
Send me a screenshot. DM me a screenshot. That's all you got to do. Just fund up at least 250 and send me a screenshot, and I will make you all the motherfucking money in the world. Just know how to copy and paste. Don't come in this bitch over leveraging like everybody the fuck else. Niggas don't over leverage and got paid. They done also over leverage and blew their motherfucking account on some stupid shit. Y'all niggas got to know how to leverage your money wisely. But
Hey,
if any time is a time to get some signals from me, no matter if it's VIP joining the Slayers, you know what I mean, or getting some free shit, you know what I mean. Now be the time to do it, considering how bullish everything is. I ain't gonna lie to you. If you wanted to get you some motherfucking signals, nigga, or something, on my mama, not a time, cause everything bunking. Everything bunking. You hear me? All right, so get the fuck in where you fit in, nigga. All right, they go to the link right there. At this point, I'm gonna go ahead and look at Forex Factory, see what these red photos looking like for the week. If y'all got any questions in the meantime, between time, go ahead and drop them bitches in the chat so I can get y'all right. And then
Hey,
we can
Chelsea,
get
I
to it
got
like
one
that.
question.
What's up?
Hey, for the one-on-ones, you still signing up on that calendar link?
Text my phone. Yeah, you can too. You can. Yeah. Actually, yeah.
I'm gonna say because I be signing up through that, but I don't be knowing if you be getting them because nobody don't be talking in that chat for real.
Yeah, because that mentorship chat is kind of over with. Like we done already got done with that shit. Them niggas already graduated. They done. You know, that's why we don't be active in that bitch no more. Because no nobody in that bitch fucking need me no more. And if they
Check
do, they
your
be in my goddamn phone now.
DMs. I just sent you one.
That's a bit. I'm gonna text you.
On IG.
But text my phone, Sam. I got you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I like how that yes sir sound on the nigga. Well, I ain't got a lot. I like.
Nigga stupid. I already knew that nigga was laughing because of that.
Ooh, hey, I like.
That boy went in and started with the evil laugh, man. That sound like a
Well,
villain.
I like that. Well, I like that.
Y'all don't say that. Like, yes, sir.
I
Nah,
actually
hell
do.
no.
fuck
Nah,
no.
nothing wrong with that,
But
man.
ain't
I
nothing
say that. I
wrong
say
with it
that
though.
with it. I say that with
Freak
anybody. Like, shit.
Hell
Yes, sir.
yeah, I do.
Hell
That's why I'm
yeah.
That
saying
man
because
said
it's rare
power.
when
I be
you
like,
it's
brother.
rare when you hear it. That's why I say down. I like it's rare when you hear that shit. Boy. Oh, it's like, yes sir. I was like, yes sir to you too, Sam. On God, on my mama.
Bro got a different type of respect about his character that just, you know what I'm saying, you automatically
Yeah,
just want
that
to
just
give him
showed.
that
That
type of
just showed he
respect.
was born. He was born with it. Born, no, he was raised on respect. You know what I mean,
Got that
I like
demeanor.
demeanor. Demeanor. Oh shit, real gentleman. Jack, word on game. Real smooth pimping player. All right. All right. I ain't gonna get into all that. All right, bet. Let's get to it. Schedule for the week. No red folders Monday. Chill. Tuesday, we got 8:30 red folders. 8:30. You know, gang. Y'all, hey, that's the only red folders out today. That's CPI. Come here and let me see if I can get some of that goddamn. Let me get some of that goddamn pussy. I ain't playing gold pussy. I need it. Tuesday. Come here. CPI. Be ready. Wednesday, 8:30 for more for PPI. I thought that said CPI. That is PPI. 8:30 as well. Right? Thursday, we got GDP for the Great British Pound for all my GJ Slayers. Thursday, GJ gonna be bunking. And then we got unemployment claims, the first one of the month, the first one of the year. Right? Did we ain't have unemployment claims last week, did we? I think that was just FOMC and shit. And then Friday's kind of chill. So, it's looking like 8:30 all week, y'all. Be up in the mornings to try and catch these red photo plays with me. All right. As long as I see a play, I'll drop a motherfucking Zoom link. All right. And we'll watch that bitch rock out live. So 8:30 looks like the time to be up all motherfucking week. Y'all know I'm up all the motherfucking time looking at charts and shit. So don't just motherfucking only be up in the morning. Have y'all motherfucking goddamn notifications on. Because once again, the way this shit moving, nigga, I'ma have to got them get y'all up in that bitch, niggas. No questions asked. We got to get us a piece. You know what I mean? So let's
I
see
ain't
what the
gonna lie
fuck
to
this
it. No
shit.
notifications ain't there. I be having to set alarm up every hour. I can't miss that shit.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to miss these goddamn plays, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. These bitches is bunking too goddamn hard, bro. On my mama.
I got one more question about the Hanko trade.
Talk to me.
With the goddamn the 400% thing, 200% thing.
300%. Goddamn fund up the motherfucking money. Fund up your pape. Once the pape hits, hit up the goddamn hit up customer service in the bottom right tab. It's a little motherfucking chat looking icon. Tap that bitch, hit their phone,
Well,
and
no,
just
I
type
know how to
it.
do it. I know how to do
Oh
it. You
shit.
know what I'm
Type
saying?
shit.
Yeah,
My
they
fault.
can give me the bonus and everything. I
For
just
sure.
from your perspective, I
Mm-hmm.
was thinking, man, do I really want to put that percentage on me? I do got goals in mind. I do got things I want to achieve. I want to, my mind said I want to do 50,000 by the end of the year, capitalizing off the prop firms, you know what I'm saying? Blah, blah,
Mm-hmm.
blah. I'm starting off low. But
For sure.
with that 300 bonus, right? That's going to entitle me to use a higher leverage.
I mean that's on you if you want to goddamn do the shit. Like you kind of have that little discipline with it. You know what I'm saying? Now if you know that you're somebody that, you know what I mean, kind of has a tendency to like, you know what I mean, like kind of
I
go a
do
little bit overboard. You feel what I'm saying? When you
sometimes.
see a little bit
Yeah.
extra pay, then maybe it'll be in your best decision to just stay away from the bonus. The bonus is extra capital or extra buying power. In essence, it's not even extra capital. It's not like they're giving you money, but the goddamn the money that y'all see in y'all account is a visual representation of how much leverage you got now, how much buying and selling power you got now. They didn't hand you extra paper. It just doubled or tripled how much buying power you have. So goddamn, with that being said, once again, and if we're going to be truly honest, it's a tactic for y'all to blow y'all fucking accounts. Right? Like y'all
Oh,
know that, right? Like why the fuck
yeah,
else would they
I
give you
know.
extra money to trade with? Because they know that y'all gonna go fucking stupid with it and blow your goddamn account. So it's a tactic. So in order for you to come out on top of this shit, you got to know how to manage that extra pay wisely, bro. And then once again, if you know that you somebody that gets to fucking wilding out when it comes to seeing a little bit extra pay, then maybe you do just need to chill on the bonus, bro, and just trade regular and just flip your regular pay. Because goddamn, I done seen motherfuckers fund up goddamn with that motherfucking bonus nigga, and then goddamn like they can't even flip their regular motherfucking account. And then they just be thinking that cause they got more money, it's just gonna flip. You just gonna blow that money faster. You see what I'm saying? So you just gotta know where you at, a little bit of self-awareness when it comes to where you at in your trading career. You know what I mean? To know if you really want to take advantage of the bonus or not. But
I'm gonna
truth be
just
told,
study you. I'm gonna just study you some more. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna shut my mouth and you feel me? I'm pretty smart. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just watch you as far as how you leverage, how you know what I'm saying, put your percentages as far as your money. You know what I'm saying? What you use because I like your character a whole lot. I just need to sit back and watch you, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm
most
grateful I'll be
definitely.
on this Zoom call and everything like that.
Man, for sure, bro. You'll definitely learn a lot from just sitting down. I spill a lot more than I'll be supposed to on these Zooms anyway, so you'll learn a lot for sure. All right. Let me check the chat. Let me check the chat. Just to let people know, new to futures, 10 micros equals 1 mini, so it's smarter, in my opinion, to trade micros so you can take partials. Good sauce. Good sauce. Good enough. Um, good enough. Okay.
The
What if I
runner
already
up.
deposited over 500 and lost it? Pick your ass up and try it again. Pick yourself up and try again. Then pick yourself up and try again. Try again. Whatever that. At first you don't succeed. Okay. Well, that's like pick yourself up and try. You better fun it up, nigga. What the fuck you mean?
Oh,
You gonna
my
let the
mama
mark?
put that on the real song, folks. Make that the
What's
intro
up?
to a song. That
I
shit is
might, sa-
slap.
I might sample that.
Yeah,
Yeah, oh
that is
God.
slap.
First you don't succeed.
Damn, I
Okay.
ain't heard that hoe in a minute.
So, but you got to pull out them gems for it, nigga. Ass talking about some what I'm gonna do. What you want me to do? Give you the 500 back, girl? Bye. Okay, you better goddamn fund that shit up. Don't let nobody take your money, nigga. You don't do nothing about it. You better get your shit back in
I'm
blood.
crying.
You
Yo,
better get
let's
your
go.
shit
Stop
back in
acting like you
They
don't owe
say
me
get
that
that
stool
shit back.
session.
Hell no.
I'm in there. Who said that?
Just act like you don't
Ah,
owe
man,
that
you still
stool
trying? You trying to
session,
get in the
nigga.
yo, man? You trying to make some trader talk, nigga?
Doing that, man. We got
Yeah.
to. Boom. Yeah,
Okay,
you
we
got
can
the
make
shit. You
something.
got the shit in your crib now, so I'm finna send you a couple
I
opens.
do. I do. You can definitely send me some opens, bro. I'm all the way set up to make unlimited amounts of music now. So whatever y'all
Now
got,
say that.
all my producers on this bitch, y'all got beats. Y'all keep telling me y'all got beats, bro. Now's the time to send it. I'm locked in.
Who produced on
All right.
here?
Nigga, it's a million motherfuckers on this bitch acting like they producers. I got beats for you, Tracy. All right, send them.
Send
You
them
know what I
shits.
mean?
Nigga, tap
Now's
in
the
with us.
time. On
Need a
game, definitely
producer.
tap in with both of us, nigga. We gonna get right. And send me your shit, just like I got you on game.
Tap in. I need producers, gang.
See
Tap
that?
in. I need them. I don't know why
Yep.
my shit looking stupid, but yeah,
Check
you
him
see
out, y'all.
that?
Y'all see his IG. Y'all go follow the kid, man. On
I see
game.
that. I'm just
Hey,
trying to get
Thirsty, where you
rich.
want to send a screenshot at?
DM it to me on IG.
I need the money to match the views.
That bitch won't let me do
Yeah,
it.
my mama. If he won't let you do it, you got
Nah, that bitch won't even let me text you. I had to text you, yo.
I
Shit,
gotta
I had to
check
take a
it out.
picture on my regular phone and then, you know what I'm saying, go to the little gallery, you feel me, and then drop it in like that.
That bitch won't even let
Nah,
me do nothing.
sometimes it don't be working for people I don't follow. Some of y'all I don't even fucking know. Y'all just follow me. I don't even know some of y'all. No gang. So it be doing that for some people. If I don't follow y'all, don't let me DM you. What I want you to do is go to my story. Right? Go to my story and just comment on my story. Anything like comment broker on my story, and then
It's on you.
I'll see your
I said
face.
you clumsy.
I know what to do. All right, I lost my fund that I was mad as fuck. Funded back, lose to win. On gang. At first you don't succeed, nigga. Pick yourself up and try again. Ain't no hoe in our blood, nigga. Ain't nobody gonna take nothing from me and I don't do nothing about it, nigga. Gang. All right. $50 on the phone. That's all you need to succeed.
I ain't gonna lie,
Uh,
Tracy,
And
you the only
Fantasia
nigga.
hey,
lose
I'm
to
not
win.
gonna
Y'all
lie.
gotta play
Hey,
that.
hold up. I'm not finna let this slide. On my mom, I'm not. Hey, y'all got to see this. Oh, I don't know if y'all can see the chat, bro. This shit funny. Shorty, y'all go look at the chat, bro. Shorty said analyze USD JPY. Look at how she spelled that bitch. Oh, Shorty said analyze.
Nah,
Hey,
you gotta look at her name. She's Spanish, bro.
huh? I don't care. I don't give a fuck.
She
Oh,
don't know
That's
gang.
no.
fucked up.
She don't
Hey,
know
you
Oh,
no
said
gang.
that.
I
sympathy.
That's
don't give a
fucked
fuck.
up.
Everybody get the smoke. Don't nobody get no motherfucking sympathy. She better spell that shit right. No, gang. She
Talk
said, and
about
I lost
no.
the
Spell it
You
right.
talking to the mic next time.
Yo, gang. She, oh, gang. She better pronounce this. She better spell it out. Okay. Sound it out. I tell her, sound that shit out. Okay.
That
No,
shit
I
is
got you. I'm gonna look at
hilarious.
UJ just because I'm fucking with y'all. I got you. Just because I'm fucking with you, I got you. I produce, send email. Here go my motherfucking email. Send me beats right the fuck now. I'm cooking tonight as long as that bitch fire. That bitch ass,
Princess
I ain't doing
Poopy.
nothing with it. I'm telling you that
I'm
right
in the
now.
middle of the ocean with
Them
some bad
inches on
bitches,
your
and they ain't even
neck,
head
huh?
on the boat.
Y'all want to hear
I'm,
my?
I'm
Y'all want to
finna
hear?
send the open.
Y'all want to?
Stick,
Who
stick.
said they gonna send the open? I'm telling.
I'm in the
All
middle
right,
of the
bet.
ocean with some bad bitches, and they giving
Hey,
head on
bro,
the
if you
boat.
start if you
They
start
giving head on
listening
the
to these
boat.
beats, niggas
I,
finna
I,
get
I
on here
need
complaining,
I
bro.
need
Talking
I need
about
that
you
feature.
ain't no
Hey,
artist.
I'll
I'm
be
not gonna
alright.
lie. UJ, I'm glad somebody put. Let me talk about UJ real quick. We can get back to the music. UJ followed my announce. This is a trade I took a loss on, but I'm mad I did because I didn't hold and not fold. One man always saying, learn to hold, never fold. Bitch, I folded. This is me being transparent with y'all niggas because I want y'all niggas to learn from my motherfucking mistakes. I bought the fuck out of UJ and tried to hold this bitch for about 3 days, bro. And it took until the end of the week
Well,
for this
I
bitch to blast
mean,
off.
when you
And
not
I bought this bitch right here based off of the
chemistry,
fact that this inversion FVG got broke and retested. I bought that bitch right there at 50% here. Obviously, we seen all this drawdown down here. And looking at the lower time frame, bro, this bitch left so much liquidity on the table on the downside that I just knew this bitch was going to drop. I said, fuck it. I
Hey,
closed.
Parker.
Got closed. And I was going to try to buy it again right down there. And look what she did to my stupid ass. Just gone and went to all my TPs, nigga. The equal highs was too easy. Like these highs right here, that's too fucking easy. Too easy. You know what I'm saying? But I folded because it chopped me up too damn much.
Pick them all up.
What do I
Pick
learn
them
from
all
that?
up.
Trust your motherfucking analysis, nigga. Y'all want me, y'all SL or TP? I say this shit every motherfucking day, don't I? But yet I folded.
Did you go crazy on the lot?
No, I just didn't want to lose no motherfucking money because I was on a winning streak. I had just tore gold the fuck up, and I went from motherfucking like $100. I was at fucking like $1,500 at the time, bro. I was like, bro, I ain't trying to lose nothing, bitch. Like everything was blue. Like you ever look at your history? You ever go on a winning streak and then you go look at your history on Metatrade, ain't nothing but blue, and you don't want to see no red in that bitch. That's how I was. I was like, nigga, this bitch gonna turn the fuck around, bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of that. But then
When
that bitch
my
got the
screen blue,
goddamn.
I feel better. I'm gonna
uh,
pick catches.
Oh, gang. It was just it wasn't nobody fault but my own just being a fucking dickhead. I should have just held the motherfucking trade. My stop was
Jay,
down there.
UJ
And
clapped my ass too.
man, I should have held that bitch, bro.
Hell,
She did the reason why I closed in all
Stop.
actuality is because the price action tried to scare me out my spot. It didn't try, it did. That bitch ran these highs over here and then broke structure bearish like this, and this is where I bought. But it started scaring me after she started creating all these equal lows right here and created this trend line. And y'all know I stand on these bitches getting ran. When I seen this and she stepped consolidating, bro, I'm like, all right, bro, like this bitch is about to drop. And I wanted to just reposition down here inside that gap. But what does this bitch end up doing? Stopping short to come for this inversion right here and then fucking blasting off. So once again, that was just my fault. Bro. I don't blame no one else but myself. That bitch was on the money. But as far as where I see this bitch going this week, I know last week closed on top of, you know what I mean? We got bullish continuations all going through this week. Question is, where's she going? I'm gonna tell you where she going. We pushing. First of all, this bitch is stopping short of this high right here. That's first and foremost. So we got one more push in that. We got one more push. You see how she creating all the equal highs right here? All this shit and stopping short of last month's high. Not last month's high, but a few months ago's high. These same highs I just identified for y'all. Yeah. All right. This high right there. She stopping short of that bitch. So what does that mean? Next pullback on UJ sends that bitch to the motherfucking gazoon. All right. The question is where the pullback gonna go to. That bitch already pulled back, obviously, but I don't trust it yet because we still inside of bearish territory and we're below the new week opening gap and we're currently retesting it. So this right here is now a balanced price range. You know what I'm saying? You see prices respecting this bitch perfectly. So I don't trust that yet unless price breaks on top. All right. What I do see though is how the daily time frame is trying to create a fair value gap, but it won't be signified until tomorrow's candle closes. But once that bitch closes, we'll have an FVG somewhere similar to this, and obviously, that is where I want to take it. All right. So the price action today ain't nothing significant for me to want to fuck with unless she closes back on top of the new week opening gap, which right now she's below it and she's retesting it on the opposite side. That's bearish work. All right. And we're creating lows here and lows here. And although that daily fair value gap isn't created yet, once tomorrow candlesticks closes, this will be created. And as long as price looks anywhere fucking did a nigga just email me the Hanko screenshot? I'm weak as hell. Any way to contact me, I fuck with that. You know what I mean? That's what's up. What I was about to say there? Oh yeah, even though today's daily candlestick ain't closed, tomorrow it will. And then if this FVG looks similar to what it looks like now, these lows are going to be equal, also inducing that, and that's going to set up for price to come down here and run these lows, this low and that low, run stops, and then take the fuck back off. So where I'm at with it is I need this bitch to pull back. Is really want to wait until the time and price at its finest. I need to wait until in the middle of the week for this play because she needs to create the gap. The gap ain't created yet. This is gonna be like a Tuesday, Wednesday play. They'll buy that bitch and take it up. But we're overly bullish on this bitch. We just need the pullback, and the right pullback that we need shouldn't happen until Tuesday. All right. So buy it after Tuesday. Don't buy it after Tuesday, but let the gap get created and then buy it. All right. Understand where I'm at with it. Buy, pull back, buy. Give me 6. Give me 8. Give me 8. Give me 8.
Ocho.
Especially Miss Analyze. Analyze. That makes sense, Miss Analyze.
Analyze, give him an ocho.
Oh, God. Drop mucho ochos. Oh, me gusta. Oh, shit.
Consider that de mucho dinero.
Dame ocho.
Mucho dinero. Oh, shit. That bitch got to spit in that bitch. Mucho dinero. Oh,
Mucho
wow.
dinero.
Oh, fine. Me llamo day trader.
Yeah,
man. Much dinero. Word to big bird. This is going to be our time for questions before I get the fuck up off this bitch. All right, questions, comments, concerns, ask away or forever.
Could give a look at US 30. What you think about US 30?
No, facts. 30-30.
No, facts. No, facts.
Bro.
No, facts. All right, my fault.
funny,
No,
bro.
This nigga trolling tonight. I'm on your ass.
No, got away the camera. No, oh shit. That won't even English. Can a person have two strategies on the same pair? No. I mean, you can do whatever the fuck you want to do, but is that smart? No.
Damn, Par.
That's not
Oh,
smart.
she killing us.
And you can do whatever the fuck you want to do, but is that the smartest thing to do? Hell no. And then you need to master one motherfucking strategy and stick with it. What strategy should you master? Hey, come get that motherfucking kids horse. Oh, gang. Do I invest in Shiba Inu, nigga? That is so 2 years ago. Shiba Inu. That is such Shiba Inu, nigga. That is so 2022. Nigga, no. I don't got no money in Shiba. That shit was that party long. That party long gone, if you ask me. XRP, we balls deep. Bitcoin, balls deep. Ethereum, balls deep. Cause other cryptos that my VIP got, balls deep. But Shiba is not one of them bitches. Solana, yeah, obviously Solana's one of them too. Yep, Solana. And so it's like 5 more that my squad got. We've been locked in for these cryptos for the last year. You dig what I'm saying? So investments portfolios looking pretty good. Nigga, I about got scared not too long ago when these cryptos got to pulling back something nasty, bitch. These Bitcoin, nigga, my crypto portfolio was starting to look scary, nigga. I was about ready to crash out in this bitch. So I got a lot of money in that motherfucker.
Hey
But,
Tracy, I got a question for you.
What up?
So say if I got about a let 2 ball, let 2 right, let 2,000, and I want to put that bitch in the market or whatever, you hear me? Should I fuck with the funded accounts? Or I should just go ahead and put that bitch in a live account.
Oh, why spend $2,000 on a funded account, bro? Do you know how much damage you can do with 2,000? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? There's no fucking way I got 2,000. Cause some of y'all finna get that motherfucking that Trump check coming, and the motherfucking goddamn the motherfucking taxes coming. Don't game.
Oh yeah, the taxing. Yeah, I got a 10
y'all
ball.
bet the fuck not.
I'm getting a 10 ball for that taxes.
I'm sitting on the trade right now, and I flipped the shit out of 2K, bro. I swear
Are
to
you
God.
fucking kidding me? Y'all niggas see what I do with $100? Do y'all niggas see
Yeah,
what my students is doing? $50, and y'all niggas talking about
yeah.
spending $2,000 on the funded? Are you kidding
Fund
me?
account, right, bro.
Are you kidding me, bro? Like, nigga, in all
Well,
actuality, bro, funded accounts are for niggas that can't afford to fund up over $1,000. And even then,
ah,
you gotta think of it like this, bro. Even then, you gotta think of it like this, bro. Whatever the fuck you buying, you do not have that much capital. So think about how much money, like you spend. You buy $100,000, nigga, and you spend X amount of money to get the shit. Let's say your $100,000 is $900 to get it. All right, you spend $900 to get a hundred bands, right? And then the
right.
shit tells you that I can't lose no more than motherfucking goddamn fucking three, four
Ooh,
thousand dollars. That's not
man.
even that far off from fucking 900. If I'm gonna
Yeah, you.
spend money on a funded account, it has to be money that I cannot get my goddamn self. And I'm not
Yeah,
talking about the amount of capital, like 150,000. I can't get well, I can get 150,000 myself. Back then I couldn't. But now, well, I mean, but that's not the fact that I have 150,000. It's that I only have 4,000 to risk. I don't have
right.
$150,000. I got 4K. You see what I'm saying? Nigga, you got
Yeah,
2K. That's half of that. You know what I'm saying? Whatever account you buying, nigga, if the risk, if the risk that they're putting on that funded account that you're paying for outweighs how much money you got to trade with in the goddamn first place, there is zero reason to buy the account. You understand?
bro. Yeah,
No goddamn with two
yeah.
thousand
So,
dollars, bro. You can do motherfucking damage, bro. I fully recommend funding that shit the
well,
fuck up. Even half
what
of
what
that.
what good lot sizes I could do from in? Say if I got 1,000 or 2,000 for both accounts. Say if what's lot sizes I could use around there?
Depends on
Like a
what you
zero
trade and
10.
what broker you. It's a lot of factors that go into that. What you
Say if I
trade,
want,
what broker,
say if I
and what
want
broker you
Hanko.
using. Hanko, 15 cents.
So
15
like a
cents to the
zero
win.
15.
0.15.
What
Golden
about
number.
what about next trade wave for MT5?
Same.
Same. Bro.
Same. 15 cents on NTW and Hanko kind of move in the
I'm
same
happy
sense.
I asked you that. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely just put the money into the live account instead of the funding. I'm happy I asked you.
And then if you wanted to use Hanko, nigga, deposit bonus. 2K turns to 6K real quick.
That might
You see
never
what I'm
be saying that.
saying?
How the fuck y'all be saying that? When I be trying to put the shit on that Bitcoin on, they never show that shit.
Man, you just gotta use the goddamn what you mean? You must be doing something wrong.
When I
You
go
know what I
on the
mean? Go to
I go on Hango's little site and then I go to deposit and it be showing like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and all that shit. And I put Bitcoin, they don't be showing like no code or nothing to put in with it when I'm trying to, buy or transfer it.
Nah, you don't use
nigga,
no
I'm in
code.
silver. That bitch bunking.
You gotta there's a little part where it actually if you want to use your bonus. So like when you on Hanko, you got
Yeah,
home
pull that
business
card up.
affiliate. You know what I'm saying? Home
Yeah.
bonus, my bad, affiliate. You click on bonus,
That bitch right there.
and then you'll get to that bonus
You ain't even
request.
say nothing for the US 30.
You know what I'm
Oh
talking about? You get on
man.
your
I
bonus
ain't in US
request,
30.
click your live account, and then on your right hand side, it should say enter your amount. You can use max. You know what I'm saying?
So if
You
I
get
put
max amount.
if I put 2,000 there, I could basically get trade with 4 racks.
Yeah.
You can trade with 6 racks, nigga. Use
6 racks.
we got
Oh,
300% deposit bonuses, nigga.
But then you lose that
Lord.
2 bands, you're gone. You
If you
ain't
lose
got
your two
four, six
bands, if you
bands. You
that's the
gone. You
only
out of
catch.
there.
You can't lose more than what you put
Don't
in.
over leverage that shit. That's what they
Don't
Hey, as
want
long
you
as
to
you
leverage,
got
do.
bro.
They
that
gonna be
stop
like, damn,
loss,
bitch, I got 6 bands in this
That's
bitch.
hey,
That
why
bitch finna go zero.
as
That's
long as you
That's
got that
exactly why these deposit bonuses are meant for y'all to lose, because y'all niggas gonna see this money and think that y'all actually got that money. No, you still can't lose more than what you put in, nigga.
yeah,
They're not handing you for it at thousand extra dollars, nigga. They're making it seem like you got it so that you can put more
yeah,
money up and then you
put,
lose your original
yeah,
deposit. So you
yeah.
have to play it right.
So long as you stay within that. So even if I got that 6,000, if I put the 2,000, but I got the 6,000, I still use the 0 15 lot size.
Now, if you go sick in it, yo, okay, you start doing more than that, nigga. I'm telling you, bro. That 2K gonna be gone, bro. She
don't
gonna get
you
you,
don't
boy.
want to risk that. You don't want to risk that shit, bro. You might
You
as
don't
well
want to
just
be
trade
doing
without
that.
it.
You don't want to be doing all that, bro. You feel what I'm saying? I'm telling you, bro. 15 cent can take you a long way, bro. Just
I
just
be
just get
saying
one
that.
of
I
the
be saying y'all
compounding
niggas doing
bitches,
shit.
bro. I got my
What about
soul,
in
bro.
gold? So what about in gold? Was that do that same 15 in silver? I mean, hell nah.
Hell the fuck no. You popping 15 cent on silver, bitch. You gonna be negative $500 on one tick.
Hey,
Oh,
nigga,
gang.
stupid.
Hell nah, nigga. 15 with silver. You got to bring that bitch down, boy. You talking about got them 2,000, 3,000, nigga. With 2,000 deposit bonus 6,000, bitch. I still wouldn't go over 10 cent. That's how crazy
Um,
it is. You feel what I'm
zero,
saying?
yeah,
Like, nigga, I'm
yeah.
5 setting that bitch out with a band, boy, with 2 bands. Five, and then just
Boy,
pop a couple inches with them bitches, boy. I would not go no higher than 10, 15 cent, bro. Really 10.
yeah. I might
You know what I mean?
I might gotta fuck with that. I like Henko too, but it seems like on that next straightaway with the Meditated 5, unless I just don't know how to do it on Henko yet, I could like on MT5, I know how to set my stop loss to break even and to set it in profit and shit
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you know
yeah, yeah.
and all that shit. I don't
NT
know how to do that shit on Henko.
NTW is a lot more user friendly. There's pros and cons to the different brokers. NTW is on MetaTrader, so that's
Yeah.
that. That's the pro in itself.
I'm gonna have
Goddamn
to fuck with that.
Hanko's pro is that they give you the deposit bonus. So nigga, if you want more money to trade with, you go got that Hanko, which I fully recommend. As long as you know what the fuck you're doing with it. But if you if you want more user friendly, then
Yeah.
NTW will be your
I
answer.
need that shit like that. So with MT5, I could I see my next trade wave, I could just literally put my card on there and put the shit on there, huh?
Yeah, I done had trouble with doing that shit. It's been a couple times they declined my shit. So
Damn.
I'm a nigga that just go with fucking crypto. I don't give a fuck what type of goddamn payment options they offer. I just like doing it the
Yeah,
Bitcoin.
go crypto.
You
I
know what I
love
mean?
that.
But goddamn,
Keep it
I
simple.
mean, I've did it once, like with the card shit on NTW. I did it once for like $300, and that bitch worked. And then every single time after that, it just declines my motherfucking card, bro. So I don't know if it's because my banks have a motherfucking they don't fuck with motherfucking brokers. Don't gang. They'll
I
decline
fucking
all that
hate
shit. They
banks.
don't fuck with brokers and they don't fuck with crypto. You feel what I'm saying? So goddamn, yeah, that bitch flying. I'm in that bitch too. On my mama.
So,
On
so
my
how the
mama,
fuck
I'm in that bitch. You see them low entries down there, bitch. Word on gang,
How
nigga.
the
I'm
hell
in that
you in
bitch
that
too.
bitch and you ain't call nothing?
Hey nigga. Hey nigga. Hey nigga. Hey, even she found her. What? Let me see that bitch. Even she found her motherfucking entry. Y'all letting her out. You talk.
I
Y'all,
done
Let's
asked the
go,
her,
nigga about
your
Mia.
ass
you.
asking
Let's
That's
me.
go, Mia.
bullshitting.
Oh, gang. His
Y'all
ass asking me.
bullshit.
I
Hey,
ain't
y'all,
called a
hey,
signal.
Bro,
Her
y'all
ass
better
looking for
pop
the
that
she's
shit
trade.
sitting
whenever you
right
go
next to
over
the
there.
Let's
fucking
go,
plug,
Mia.
nigga. What the fuck you mean? Of course
Me
she gonna
ain't gonna
catch some
play with it.
shit.
She
I
gonna get her
see you.
pay. That's what you call
He
lady
said she
CS,
sent.
nigga.
She's sitting
Huh?
directly next to the plug. How can she not miss?
I ain't tell no. I ain't just like
Nah,
I ain't tell you. I
he
ain't
just
tell
said
her.
that's what he just said. Yeah. Nah, she
So
called
her
that.
ass bought. She bought the shit because she know. Dog gang.
Yeah.
That's what you need to do. No.
I
No.
mean
You know what I'm saying?
some
That's what you need to
US
do. You need to
30
learn. You need
shit.
to
I
learn how
done
to
I done
motherfucking know.
asked the nigga about US 30. He steady looking at silver. I say, fuck it, bro. We on silver then.
You got one more time to ask me about US 30, and I'm gonna look at something. I ain't gonna look at that bitch. I'm gonna look at it.
I'm
Okay, they
already
got
in it.
one more time to ask me about 30
I
30.
don't
I ain't
care.
looking at it.
I'm selling that hoe. I don't care. I don't
You
need to
got
wait
one
for a
more
play,
time to
brother.
ask me a
I'm
dirty
just listening.
motherfucking 30. Let me see this motherfucker though, man. Let me see what this bitch talking about. Nasty ass dirty 30. I don't want to look at this shit. Shit, nasty, ugly than a bitch. Nobody want to look at this shit. All right, what's the move? What's the word with 30, man? What's the word with 30?
She finna
New
sell. How
all-time
far she
highs.
finna sell? Just let me know where to take the hoe.
Nah, I
That
ain't
FB, that
selling.
FBG right there. There's your answer. Daily gap. She stopped short of 50%. She needs to probably come liquidate. What's this? Thursday's low. She probably need to come liquidate that.
Nice.
But I mean, all right. But here's a short-term target for you because I think she's gonna get down and don't get it fucked up. But indices be on industry type time. So I'm gonna give you short-term targets. Your first short-term target is gonna be this low right here. All right. Then you got the FBGs that rest right below it there. And then 50% of that. So 50% of the second gap, this first gap, 50% of the second gap, and then the daily gap. That's 4 TP. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And I do believe she's gonna fall down to get that bitch too. She got kind of the same price action as Nas when it comes to like
She just move a little faster.
yeah, she move a little faster, bro. And this bitch, I think this bitch is a little bit. This bitch is already broke structure bearish, in my opinion, versus Nas hasn't yet. This bitch is definitely broke structure bearish for me. So
We holding this bitch all week
yeah, man. Let me see the weekly. I
for a
don't know.
couple of
I
days.
don't know, but let me see how the
Not
weekly's
all
going.
week, but like
Oh, we tomorrow
3 days.
Yeah,
She
hold for the
might play
beginning.
around.
Hold for the beginning of the week. That's time and price correlation 101. If the whole week is supposed to be bullish, the beginning of the week will sell. So the fact that you're already in that bitch going against the
I
overall
was in that.
trend in the beginning of the week, that's perfect.
I'm in that bitch since Friday.
Perfect. All right, hold and ride that bitch down to some lower time frame liquidity, nigga.
Yo, Tracy, I got a question.
What up?
On the run on on the style run on style breaking structure, it goes on any time frame for
Damn
1
Skippy.
2 minutes.
Damn Skippy.
I
This
bet.
price is what you call fractal, which means it moves the same on every single time frame. One time
Can we
frame
take
just
an
moves a
entry
little
on
bit
silver?
faster than the other. That's
Hey, bro, I appreciate you drawing that 50% up on silver. I popped 2 entries off that motherfucker, gang.
Hey, listen. Now to the other nigga that was like, you ain't called the trade. You see what you do when you listen, when you just pay attention. You put
Hell
belt
yeah, that's
without
why I've
even.
been sitting in this motherfucker not saying shit, gang. Just literally listening, watching, bro.
That's how you do it, bro. You listen to
Hey,
you listen to how that shit goddamn goes
look at
down. Then you put
Ethereum
that
on a
motherfucker
1 minute,
belt,
Tracy.
huh?
Can you look at Ethereum on a 1 minute?
Fuck Ethereum.
You don't fuck with it?
No, fuck Ethereum. I'm investing in it. I don't really trade cryptos like that anymore.
Nah.
Goddamn, I used to. Goddamn, my biggest trade and withdrawal of my career was off of cryptos. Made fucking 27,000. I'm off of Bitcoin, but it took me a month to
Yeah,
make that shit
I was
go
gonna
up.
say it had to be like Bitcoin for sure.
So analyze.
Yeah, that was my
That
biggest withdrawal.
shit.
That was back in them
That was back in
2023.
COVID.
That
Oh,
was back
bro.
when Trump got elected. I remember when Trump got elected and Bitcoin went from like 57 to 100, 105,000.
100 quick.
Yeah, I was a part of all that shit. I bought that shit. I called the signal. CS members remember. I called that motherfucker 2 days before Trump got elected, and my whole analysis was a price action looked beautiful for the buy, but more important than anything, we knew that Trump is a big crypto supporter. So I knew that if that bitch look at Silver, I knew if that bitch took the fuck out. I knew if that bitch goddamn I knew if that nigga won, then you feel me, it was gonna be raps as far as goddamn crypto blasting the fuck off. So I was in the right position at the right time. The second that Trump won the election, the shit went from 57 to like 75. And I just ended up holding that bitch for the rest of the
Holding that
month, bro.
big.
And that was
Yeah.
$27,000. I was
Yeah.
just popping on every pullback.
I remember that.
You know what I mean? But after that, like since then, I haven't really touched cryptos, believe it or not. Like I ain't really touched them since then. No real specific reason as to why not. But you know, I mean, cryptos are cryptos, but nigga, if I got to choose between cryptos and shit like fucking gold and silver, bitch, fuck all that.
That's the legendary $17 to 27.
No, so that was on another crypto. That was 17 ounce of 27 was a part. Bitcoin was a part of it, but that was it started off with Litecoin. Y'all remember Litecoin LTC?
Yes,
You know what I'm
sir.
saying? And niggas know. Back before when every broker got shut down on MetaTrader, nigga, we had brokers that used to allow us to trade cryptos with goddamn $5, $10, nigga. You see what I'm saying? And Litecoin and XRP was the main two that you can get in, like with fucking $5, $10, nigga, pop a penny and try to compound your account off of. So goddamn, like it was like you know how like when it comes to the crypto, I mean when it comes to the indices, you got SPX being the small one, then you got Nas being the middle one. You know what I'm saying? You got US 30 as the big dog when it comes to leverage and shit, and how it moves. You know what I'm saying? The same thing with cryptocurrencies. So XRP and Litecoin was the little boys. You can got them getting that bitch with a small account. You know what I'm saying? So this
So
weekend,
Tracy,
that week, what?
no, I'm gonna ask you what you were saying. I'm gonna ask you after that.
All right, good. So goddamn, yeah, what the fuck? All right, so
Me through
goddamn,
his whole
so on this specific weekend, cryptos fell to like it just fell to hell, bro. I don't know what the fuck economic factors went behind it, but these cryptos just dump fucking draws, bro. And I just so happened to catch it. This is when I first started studying smart money. I just so happened to catch that bitch, bro. So goddamn, um, I started off sales, low lot sizes with XRP and Litecoin. You know what I'm saying? Got in that bitch started dropping draws, nigga. Once I got a little bit more capital off of goddamn, like once my equity started going up off of the profits, I started taking little parcels and shit. I would use the profits to then let them get in on more sell continuations. I think it was one of the most luckiest shit I ever did because nigga, every single sale that I pop, it just fucking dropped a whole another damn near 1,000 points. Like shit was insane. You see what I'm saying? So goddamn, um, once again, I start off with Litecoin and XRP. Start off with those baby lot sizes. That bitch started going crazy. I built up my equity. Then I slid over to motherfucking Bitcoin. Gang, and popped some sales on that bitch while still holding Litecoin and fucking XRP. Like I was holding all cryptos. But the more capital I got, the better crypto I was able to get in, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So I started off with Litecoin and XRP. That built up the capital. Then I slid to fucking Bitcoin. And then the biggest dog on the broker that I was using was Ethereum. When on Ethereum, you had to have the most money to trade because it moved fucking crazy. So once I built up all the cap, nigga, Ethereum was the last one. And once again, every single pullback, I was just clapping that bitch, bro. And it was just a 2 day fucking dump off where cryptos was just going to hell. And I was just getting lucky on all the pullbacks that I caught. And the reason why I consider it luck is because nigga, the shit that I knew back then is a literal fucking fraction of what the fuck I know today. So like if I would have did that same, if I was looking at the same shit today, I probably would have played it a little bit differently. You know what I mean? As far as like risk goes. I wouldn't have risked that much goddamn money type shit. You feel what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what gave me my big turning point in my trading career. Once I made that 17,000. See, some of y'all done made some paper, y'all ain't make no real paper. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like y'all ain't make no real goddamn money, like nigga. And once you make some real money off a trade, nigga, and that shit hit your bank account off of you doing nothing, bitch. I swear to God, if you don't got no passion to trade before, you gonna have a passion now. Like $50 is one thing, $100 is one thing, even $1,000 is one thing. But bitch, 17,000 in 2 days off of
Man.
$17. Yeah, bitch. This is
Hey.
this is what I this is what I need to do for the rest of my life, nigga. No questions asked. You
Nah,
know
I
what I'm
heard you say
saying?
that story before, bro. That shit legendary.
Yeah, bro.
So
That's what started this shit. Once again, like I all before that, it was all what if. Like I always tell niggas before y'all make y'all real big paper, it's always what if. What if I make the money? What if I got them boom boom? So you just trading off of speculation. You trading off of what you see everyone else doing. Okay, they making money, so what if I can make the money? But it's all what if. You know what I'm saying? But once you make the money for real, nigga, and you see it's one thing to see everyone else doing is knowing it's possible. But nigga, when you do it yourself and you really see what's possible off of your own motherfucking muscle, nigga, 'cause that's what makes
yeah.
it even better. There ain't no signal calling, nigga. Ain't no signal taking. That's off my muscle, nigga.
What
I took this trade. I made $17,000 off of $17.
What
Which nigga
leverage you
like
had?
that,
what's the most you
huh?
ever made with 2K?
With 2K.
Yeah,
What
for 2K,
starting
like
off with goddamn 2K? I mean,
yeah.
I done turned motherfucking $100 and they goddamn 10,000. I turned 17 and 17,000. 2K,
That's
that was the Bitcoin trade.
What leverage was you using?
1 to 5.
Oh yeah, definitely.
one
Mm-hmm.
of 500.
2K was the Bitcoin trade. Like my account was around that goddamn size. But once again, that was just a I'm not talking about the goddamn that sell off I'm talking about the Trump shit where I made 27,000. That was off of a $2,000 account. It was like 2,300. You see what
Damn.
I'm saying? So goddamn like y'all niggas be thinking that it like, bro, the flips that you can get from this market, bro, you're not gonna get nowhere else on this earth, nigga. Like you can literally turn nothing into like thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, bro. This shit is insane. You know what I'm saying? What I be telling y'all, like, you kind of got to know that it's possible prior to it happening, bro. Quit trading on some what if type time and trade like you already know you're gonna make this pay. You know what I'm saying? Because there's so much motherfucking money on the table, bro. It's literally fucking like Jerry. You remember the first time, Jerry? You still on this bitch? You remember the first time I showed you me making some money in my career?
Bro, that shit, I teared up.
Teared up, bro. Literally
It just
started that
like it's
night.
cause it like blew my mind. I think it was you made like 600 in like fucking 8 minutes or something.
Yup.
And then bought a
Mhm.
one-way ticket. Like it was like I'm about to slide out to Florida. And I was just like, bro, that I need that type of freedom.
Oh, so,
I
bro,
need that
like
type of freedom in my life.
when you know what the fuck is possible. You know what I'm saying? Like
Shit
even
crazy.
I don't understand. Like just because I'm the trader don't mean that I don't look at this shit and be like, bro, it's crazy. Like every single day I'm looking at this shit like, bro, this shit has to be illegal. Like what the fuck is going on, bro? There's no way this shit is legal. But it's
I swear
That
to
shit
definitely
God.
blew
is
my
legal.
mind, bro. Like
It's
I
Yeah,
legal
seen
to
him
the
it
on
gotta
fullest,
be
his
bro.
illegal, I
laptop
swear.
live. Seen him pop the trade, seen him end the trade and withdraw the money. I saw the whole thing in person.
Word up, bro. It hit different, bro. It hits
God.
different, bro. Like, and some of y'all just be needing, like, I ain't gassing myself up, you know what I mean, and none of that shit. But some of y'all just be needing a nigga like me sometimes. Not like me, but like somebody that's gonna show you it in your face. Like, we tired of the Instagram gurus, nigga. We tired of the
Right.
niggas looking at these screenshots and all these niggas goddamn posting all these cars, and we do or don't know if it's really from trading or not. We tired of that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying, nigga? I want to see a nigga print the money in my goddamn face, nigga. Show me better. You could tell me this forex shit real, nigga.
Man,
You know what I mean? Like, do it. How long did it take for y'all to meet somebody in person that could really show you how to trade? That could really show you some paper. Y'all niggas been trading for years. How long did it take for you to meet the first person that showed you real money from forex? Not just no Telegram, Discord shit, real life. Think about that.
yeah, you the first one.
Have you
That
even
was
met that
sick.
person in real life yet?
You
Hell
might check
no.
you
I
can't check
went
the only
to
You know
one
what
I
I
met in
mean?
real life.
I went to school. I went to school with a nigga. He was in IML. You matter of fact, I think you said something about him in one of these the
Who?
videos. Nigga named Tyrone Foster.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah, see, we
Yeah.
went to high school together. Uh, that nigga in Philippines and Thailand right now, living his best life and shit. You know what I'm saying? He gave me the game a long time ago, but I think I never really seen him like, you know what I'm saying, do it like this. You feel me? Where the nigga he uses bots and shit like that. Now I ain't down on my nigga because obviously he was living a whole better life than I am. You know what I'm saying? But bro out there getting it. That's the first nigga I ever met that really put me on this forex shit. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
bro. It's rare when you meet a nigga in real fucking life, bro. I'm
Yeah,
talking
that
about
nigga
real
KJ put
life.
me on it.
Not, huh?
KJ
My
put
fault.
me on it.
KJ put you on.
Yeah, he wasn't like this at that point, but shit, he was better than I was.
Damn skipping. Shit, nigga. Won't we all? Oh, my mama. Goddamn. It took me a while to meet a nigga in real life. Like, of course, I met the IML motherfuckers and shit. But you know what I mean? For me, like, meeting the people in IML didn't hit the same. Like, nigga, it hit 10 times different in 2025, 2026, meeting niggas that are full-time traders now that we know that the pyramid scheme is over. If that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like, back then, like, you would meet a rich nigga, but once again, you don't know if it's trading, you don't know if it's recruiting, you don't know if this nigga just used his motherfucking residual income to fund up his trading account. Like, nigga, you don't know what the fuck going on. So niggas be rich, but you don't necessarily know where it's coming from. And they gonna say it's from trading just to goddamn boost the business, but who the fuck knows? Versus now where all that pyramid scheme shit is dead. If a nigga show me some profits now, if a nigga show me them bank statements now versus back in 2020, 2019, 2020, you don't got no choice but to believe it, nigga. Because all that motherfucker, all that pyramid scheme, all that company shit is over. 9 times out of 10, niggas that trades are independent entities, not part of a group no more. The only group y'all part of is a Discord, nigga. I ain't talking about no companies. You know what I'm saying? Niggas ain't pushing companies no more. Niggas ain't pushing pyramid schemes. Niggas ain't pushing false profits unless they trying to get in position where me and KJ and them is in, where they trying to teach motherfuckers and shit and scam niggas. But we don't scam, nigga. We do the shit for real. You get what I'm saying? That's the only time where you see motherfuckers goddamn doing this shit, bro. Most motherfuckers is on some type time where they trying to figure this shit the fuck out now, nigga. This shit is just as popular as it was when IML popped off. Say it's not. Trading is popping like it's 2019 all over again.
Man, if not even greater, for real.
It's not even greater, bro. And it hits 10 times different. You want to know why it hits so different now, bro? I posted shit like last year. That shit went viral on game because it's facts. You want to know why it hits so different now? Because once again, the pyramid scheme shit is over with. So we it's a lot more credibility versus back then. You know what I'm saying? But more importantly, bro, the reason why, to me, I think that Forex now is a lot more popular than what it is back in 2019, right? Back in 2019, when you met these motherfucking, when we see these niggas on Zoom, when we see these niggas on social media, when we see these niggas period on whatever, Discord, Telegram, whatever, I ain't know none of these niggas prior to this IML shit. I ain't know none of these niggas, bro. You know what I'm saying? So like, nigga, I don't know what a nigga situation was prior. I don't know what the fucking nigga go on. I don't know if you was rich prior to IML, nigga. I don't know why the fuck you here. You see what I'm saying? Like, a nigga just dropped some crazy profits. Hold on, I gotta pause that. Hold on, pause my shit mid sentence. A nigga just dropped some crazy profits in this bitch. Ain't you lying? You lying? My boy Rex showed me. Say swear to God. Say swear to God this is live. Say swear to God you just turned to $2,000 to $95,000.
Bro, peep the stats, bro.
Say
That nigga been holding service since that shit was at 48.
Yo, I swear to God,
say
bro.
swear to
I
God
swear
we got another nigga that just pulled
I
off some
swear to
crazy shit.
God, bro. I
Hey,
swear
this
to
can't
God,
be
bro.
fake because
That
in
nigga
on the
been
demo.
holding silver, bro, since 48,
Damn.
bro. That shit crazy.
Bro,
That
I've been
shit
holding
crazy as
silver
fuck.
since last
God
year, bro.
damn.
Since
This can't be
48, nigga.
this can't be fake because in the demo you can't even go down to 2,000.
Is this
Nah,
2K
that's
to
real life. That's real
93?
life. That's real life.
Is this 2K to
This nigga turned
93?
$2,000.
$2,000 to
Bro,
95,000.
Congrats.
get the.
Hey,
That's what I said, bro. Live, bro.
That's hard.
I'm
You
Live
on
hand
the
on
phone
clap,
with
nigga.
gang right
how,
now.
bro? Oh my
God
God, he was.
damn.
How fucking long was he holding this? 48 to
Gianni.
That's what I'm
83.
saying, bro. He been holding that bitch since 48, bro.
That shit
Oh
What you
my
mean?
crazy.
fucking
What you
That
God,
mean
shit
since
bro.
40?
goaded.
Hey,
That's
look, I ain't
goaded.
gonna lie. Like 6 months ago, I would have got on this call and cried off that, wouldn't I?
Mm.
Wouldn't I? But
Man,
it's just at the point where nigga, this shit's so normal now, bro.
man, hold on, wait, shut the
It's
fuck
Yeah.
so
up.
normal
Another
now, bro.
one.
Like everybody does
Hey,
this. Who
hey,
talked to you? You said Gianni. Say your name, Gianni. You a part of CS? Who you a
He
part
said
of?
Rexercise.
You know who? You know
I
who
ain't a
Rex
part of
is?
nothing, bro.
Rex told
That's
him.
just my man. He told me this shit, bro. I ain't turned back since, bro.
Well, there.
bro,
Wow. Shout out to Rex, boy.
Yeah.
Shout out
bro,
to
what
Rex,
what the
man.
fuck?
Rex, you a goat,
What day
nigga.
What
was
you teach
this?
that
Like,
nigga? CRT? You teach him my shit?
Type
What you
shit,
teach him?
type shit. Nah, not
Hey,
even
man,
really basic shit.
what
Basic shit.
Basic
what day
shit?
was this, bro?
Basic
Basic
CS
shit.
shit?
Yo, my
Basic how
first
how
week of
how
Basic
to
trading,
smart
bro, I
money?
made 12K
That
off $150.
Like how
nigga.
many?
Hold on. Y'all
How many?
know I got to make a piece of content for this, so I'm about to pull up my
hey
phone real
Rex,
quick.
I be using that
The
CRT
first week
Bro,
of trading, bro, in
program
3
to
days,
drop
I made
that.
$150,
That's
12K.
just
Bro,
up.
hold on.
Two
Yeah.
Hold on,
bands
hold
to
on,
how
hold
many
on.
100.
days? How many days was
I
he
need
holding the
everybody
trade?
to mute they motherfucking mic but that nigga.
Damn,
Hold
silver
on for
pulling
a
back
second.
crazy.
Rex
I've
and
been holding
Gianni,
that
y'all
shit since
chop it
last
up real
year.
quick. So, bro,
Type shit.
we just got this screenshot in the chat, and this shit getting so normal that I can't even fucking get my emotions out no goddamn more. This nigga done turned $2,000 into $95,000 by
That's what
holding
I'm telling, bro. He talking about
in
getting a
gold
funded
buys.
account. You don't need
Now,
no funded account,
how
bro.
long you been holding these
Like that
trades?
shit, bro. I've been holding that shit since like
How long you been holding
last
these
year,
trades,
bro. I
bro?
forgot what month, bro. Like late last year.
You been holding this shit since last year?
Since last year, bro.
Nigga,
Like
what
2025 last year?
Since
Because I know you been trying to
2025
this shit.
last
late
year,
last
yeah.
year,
Are we talking
like October
2024?
type shit.
Nah,
Huh?
2025.
2025 October?
Yeah, like
type
around
shit.
that time, yeah.
What the fuck?
What made you hold silver this long, bro?
Yo, I knew it was going crazy, bro. I just knew it was, bro. I just know it, bro. I just knew it was, bro. And I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's either like the position where I was in, bro. Like I see my shot at like 30K. I'm like, nah, bro. This shit go down to like 15K. I'm gonna get out of it. It never went down there. So I'm like, yo, fuck it.
Fuck it, just
It is what
hold.
it is. Yeah, like HODL.
Wow. Wow, bro. I'm speechless, bro. Like I'm fucking speechless. Congratulations. Nigga.
Did
How
you have
long?
a stop
How
loss on?
Alvin, is
It's a
this your
crazy
biggest
entry.
trade?
I'm
This the
looking at the
biggest trade?
chart. That's a crazy
This
entry.
gonna be my biggest withdrawal. Yeah, it's gonna be
Most
my
definitely,
biggest
bro.
withdrawal
Shit.
ever.
I'd be surprised if it wasn't, nigga. Shit. 93K, nigga. Shit. Yeah, you got it, bro. Them good shit. God damn, nigga.
And
Y'all be
whoever you
pulling
is,
off some shit that seems so fucking impossible. Do y'all understand the value of what y'all in front of, nigga? You go and tell anybody the fuck else that you just flipped $2,000 into 100,000,
they gonna
and
look at you
and
stupid.
they gonna look at you like you fucking stupid. Do you hear me? This is the only place we can pull off it. This is demo account looking numbers, nigga. Quit playing with this
That
shit,
shit really
boy.
only been like 3 months, for real, for real.
3 months, nigga. That's an investment. That where the fuck else you gonna put $2,000 in and sit on that bitch for 3 months is 100?
Exactly.
Name one investment on this earth you can pull some money out your ass like that. It's impossible, brother. It's impossible. It's the only legal shit that you can do on this earth where you can make money like this, bro.
Hey,
Congratulations, nigga. That is fucking
whoever you
insane,
is,
bro.
nigga, add me on Discord and Instagram, nigga. We friends.
Nah, this is nigga. Nah, this is what niggas about to do. This is what niggas about to do. This is what niggas about to do right now. He gonna drop his motherfucking IG if he does, right? And then he just
Right.
told y'all exactly how he made the pape and who taught him. Y'all niggas go deep. You got a course, bro? How'd
Yo,
you
y'all
learn?
follow
Hey,
my nigga
Man,
Rex
cuz.
okay, watch,
Size, man.
watch,
Rex Size
watch.
the teacher,
It
man.
never
Rex
fucking
Size the
fails,
real
bro.
GOAT.
Never
I'm
fucking
not the GOAT,
fails,
bro.
man. Look at
Rex
this
is
shit every
the GOAT,
time,
Teach me
bro.
how to
man.
trade,
I'm
bro.
not
Teach me
the
Did
how to
GOAT,
Rex
trade.
bro.
really teach you how to do that
Rex is the
shit,
GOAT,
bro?
bro. I'm not the GOAT,
That
bro.
nigga
Rex
Rex
is
do
the
be
GOAT.
sniping shit though.
Rex been the GOAT though. Rex is the reason why I turned Rex done turned a lot of niggas' lives up, bro. Like I
Nigga,
give
Rex in the
him
cut. It's
a
a
lot of
scary
credit.
sight, nigga. That nigga
Rex in
Rex
the
in the
cut is a
cut is a
scary
scary
sight.
sight.
Rex
Man,
is one.
man,
Rex is
fucking
one of the
crazy.
CS goddamn sleepers that if you know, you know. If you don't, you'll never know.
He
Oh
he
god.
better
mean,
than me.
word
He
on
better than me. I
game,
would have
boy.
took that 15 bands. I ain't lying.
Bro, word on game. That's probably the most. That's not the craziest flip, but nigga. That talk about
Hey,
nigga. What?
Tracy, you was waiting for that bit to get a 93, or you was taking that 15?
Shit, bitch. Depend on where I'm at financially, nigga. If I'm broke,
And
I'm taking that
the
15.
nigga's still in that bitch till this day.
If I was
Oh,
broken in the bitch,
Still
I'm
in it
One
taking
bro
that
right
finna
15.
now.
one bro
Still in this
nigga
shit
broke in the
one
right
bro
bitch. You
now.
finna
taking
get
that
out.
15?
If
What
I'm
the
if
fuck?
I'm at a point of where I don't necessarily need that
Hey,
pape,
bro,
like nigga,
you gotta take
Probably
right
would have been
now,
silver at $100.
Nah,
if this
silver
shit
to $100 a
you gotta
barrel.
take
These
that
little
profit,
drops right
fam.
here don't do nothing to me. You know what I'm saying?
Bro, you gotta take 40
I
bands out
caught
that
that shit
bitch.
at $48, bro.
bro, I'm about to post this shit right now. I'm not even finna sit here and
Y'all
play with
gotta
this shit.
stop
Niggas
telling
got
niggas what to do when you ain't never made that bread, bro.
yeah, exactly. I hate niggas that
Hey,
do that
that's some
shit,
real
bro.
shit.
This is what you know how much I deal with
That's
that
some
shit,
real
nigga,
ass shit,
especially being a
KK.
content creator. Y'all niggas tell me what y'all do. You know how much I get the goddamn, you done spent how much money you spent on jewelry, nigga, and you don't got no real estate. Bitch, how much money do you got, bitch? Oh my mama, goddamn, let's go band for band. You cannot tell a nigga what they can do with they pape, nigga. Get your own pape and then do what the fuck you want to do with your pape, nigga. Oh my soul, don't be pocket watching this bitch. Now, on game, if this was right the fuck now, I'm holding that bitch to 100,000. Fuck all that. It just was now. Cause
All right.
cause I'm straight. 2
Right.
years ago, that 15,000 was mine. Shit, fucking $9,000 would have been mine. $2,000 would have been mine a few years ago.
Right.
You
Nigga
know what I'm
need
saying? It just
that.
depends on where a nigga at financially to where if he need that paper or not. Have you ever even seen close to that much profit on your screen before? Like, what was the most profit you done had before this?
I done ran up like 30K the other day. Ask my son Rex. I don't even remember. I do this shit a lot, bro. I win some, I lose some. You know what I'm saying?
You in New York?
Yeah, I'm in New York, Brooklyn, New
What
York.
part?
Fact.
He
What
said,
part of New
nigga,
York?
drop your IG, nigga.
What part of New York you from?
I'm in Brooklyn, New York, brother.
For sure. I mean, yeah, we gonna talk. We gonna talk for shit show. But congratulations, bro. That is absolutely insane. You just pulled off top 10. You just put off top 10 flips of the last fucking 12 months for shit show. Like that got to be like number motherfucking like 4, nigga. It's only a
Hey,
couple more flips
hey,
that top that, bro.
I swear to
Goddamn.
God, bro. Rex told me everything I know, bro. I swear to God, bro. I don't know what else to say, bro. That nigga told me everything I know, nigga.
Bro, I know that shit feel good, Rex, boy. I know that shit feel good coming from the mentor, nigga. I know that shit feel good for a nigga to be like, boy, you done changed my life, nigga. It hit different, boy. That's the passion that nigga need, bro. That somebody telling me some shit like that was the reason why I
You
started
know he
goddamn
about to
being a
eat good
teacher
when
in the
I
first
cash
place.
up.
You said
hey,
what?
so, ooh,
I said, you know I'm gonna take care of this nigga when I cash up.
Come on now, it's only right. Look,
so,
Real nigga
so
shit, bro.
Tracy,
Real
man.
nigga shit.
so,
I
so
don't
Tracy,
even
you
want.
think,
I don't even want to talk about that. You know how many motherfuckers I done made fucking 6 figures, nigga, ain't give me a motherfucking dime. You a real one, boy. I don't even want to talk about that,
Gee.
nigga. Man, your own game, nigga. Where niggas at? Let me see. Look who on this bitch. I get to calling cars, nigga. I be thinking about that shit every time nigga get on the
Yo,
goddamn
Trace,
call.
you a menace, nigga.
Nigga actually
Every single time,
stop
nigga.
you.
Every single time the nigga get on the call, boy, I get to looking at it and say, he get, what up, Tracy? No, no. Hey, no, what up,
Nigga,
Tracy?
side
Oh,
eye
gang, your
nigga.
ass owe me 20 G's.
Look at
he
the
said, hey,
chat.
nigga, if every nigga left you had to change how to owe you 20 G's, nigga, you might be a
Oh,
millionaire right now.
gang.
More
Nigga go
time.
on this bitch
That's
talking
why a
about some
nigga
nigga.
don't owe you shit.
If you make me 100,000, nigga, I'm gonna give you 20,000. I swear to God. I swear to God, nigga. That shit in front of everybody fucking for 3 weeks straight, nigga. That made the 100,000 off my signals. And I ain't heard from nigga since.
Hey,
Oh,
don't let me flip some.
nigga be getting on the goddamn car talking about some, hey Tracy, what up? No.
Yo,
No.
dog, yo.
No,
Yo,
I ain't
crying.
trying to talk. We're about dub. Because all you
Just
got at
give
the
me
end of
my
the day is your
money. Give me
all
my
you got at the end.
money.
All you got at the end of the day is your word, nigga. I ain't care about the paper till you kept telling me every single goddamn day you was gonna give it to me. Now I want it. Fuck is that? No game. Fuck
Oh,
you
he
talking about?
told you he was gonna get it to you.
Am I CS? Am I lying? On game. We was on it. We was doing Zoom calls for 3 weeks
Well,
straight.
nah,
This
you
nigga
ain't
was on
lying,
this
cuz.
motherfucker
That's why
every
I'm
single
laughing.
day. Because
That's
every
why I'm
single day,
laughing.
listen, he started off with like $5,000, bro. And we went on the crazy win streak. And every single day he was getting closer and closer and closer to 100,000. His account got up, they got like 75,000. Then that bitch went back down to like 45. And then he ran that bitch all the way back up. And when he was approaching 100, that's when he started hitting me with that shit, bro. If I make 100,000, bro, nigga, he was on the call like, nigga, get on Zoom in front of all y'all niggas. Oh God, give me your Bitcoin address, nigga. Drop it in the chat. Nigga say if you ever see a random goddamn crypto shit come through, you know where it's from. Like, nigga, shut the fuck up, nigga. Oh, okay, nigga, that shit was goddamn fucking 3-4 months ago, nigga. I ain't heard from the nigga. Don't tell me you gonna give me your paper. You
So,
ain't gonna give me no paper, nigga.
so realistically, not over no super shit like he did. Realistically, what niggas can make from 2 racks? Because we know that just was a fucking just amazing, perfect, just patience and everything executed. On an average, what can somebody with discipline and risk management make off 2 bands?
Nigga, you can make just as much.
It's
The
all
question
up to
is
you, bro.
the question you can make more. The question is how fast are you talking? That's the question. You
Let's
know what I'm
say,
saying?
let's say,
It
let's say
obviously
I'm
took that nigga 4 months to make 3-4 months to make that shit, bro. You're not making that
let's say,
shit tonight. You know what I'm
let's say
saying?
I traded for a month and didn't touch nothing for a whole month.
You
It's
gotta
about,
know how to
bro.
get in your trades too.
He's holding
Nigga,
these trades.
fucking with a nigga like me, that bitch gonna be 50. You fuck with nigga, me, bitch. I'm turning 2,000 to 50, bitch. Word on game for the average nigga. You see what I'm saying? Realistically, signal taking and all that good shit. You feel what I'm saying? 2,000 can
Yeah,
easily be 10,000 by the end of the month. Easily. You
bro.
know what I'm saying? Easily. You feel what I'm saying? Without over leveraging to get it. You feel what I'm saying? Popping a lot right sizes, the shit we trade in gold and silver, 2,000 can easily be 10,000 by the end of the month. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you on this
That's
bitch trying to
fire.
put belt to ass, like how I be doing, 2K
Yeah.
gonna be 50 by the end of the month. You see what I'm saying? But
So
that also
what?
comes
So
with a
what?
lot of motherfucking risk that you don't necessarily want to be taking on if you're not all the way there yet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So got yeah, realistically, bro, like yeah, you can run up $10,000 off of $2,000 easily in a 22-day span or 21, however many goddamn days there is in the trading month. It's easy money.
Yeah.
Easy money. But that's also going without You know what I'm saying? You got to be a good loser, bro. That's the way to compound the account, bro. It's not about making money on every single trade, bro. It's about cutting them losses short. Y'all learn how to cut them motherfucking losses short, nigga. The losses ain't gonna be shit. Every single win gonna seem like that bitch exponential. Every single one. Because all your losses, you ain't losing nothing with it. Imagine every single trade you lose $15, nigga. Every single one you smack go over 100. You gonna give a fuck about losing $15?
Fuck
No.
no. That's
No,
where that
gang.
stop loss come. That's where that stop loss coming at, huh?
Exactly. You know what I'm saying? Risk management is what outweighs all this shit, bro. If y'all can get that shit together, nigga, why do you think I keep saying, give me a phone and $50, nigga? I'm gonna run it up in 50 hours, nigga. That is not no rap cap, nigga. This is real life. You give me a phone and $50, and you give me a week, fucking with me, I'm gonna have my rent, nigga. I'm telling you. I'm telling you, fuck with me, I'm gonna have my goddamn rent, bro. I sit in front of this chart all goddamn day, nigga. Turn my screen around like this, play this goddamn game. You know what I'm saying? Be looking back like this right here. Boom, 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 making sure the trade green. My mama, nigga, how you think I turned 110,000? You think it's about sitting on my phone all day? Bitch, I was in mode. In
Nigga,
mode, in front of that computer all goddamn day, nigga. Belt to fucking belt. You understand?
nigga, you gotta
Goddamn.
have some. You gotta
Yeah, I
have some
gotta
type
get
of.
like that, bro. I
You
gotta
gotta
get
have
like that.
some type of premium signals, nigga. Cause you do send a lot of signals, but I know it's some that you just be getting that bitch you on the call and you want to put in, bitch. I want them bitches too.
You better come get that. You better get that one-on-one. Spin that 2 band.
That,
Okay, what you get is
that.
what you get is what you see.
Hey,
Right.
bro, it's
Shit,
worth
he ain't gonna
it's
have nothing to trade with, bitch.
worth
Okay, nah, goddamn. If you a slayer, if you a slayer or CS, what you get is what you see, nigga. You get these live trade
Nigga,
sessions, nigga. You get these
nigga,
signals. If you want me
nigga
to
say, what if,
break shit down anything further, considering the fact that I be on this bitch with y'all for hours, giving y'all free
yeah.
sauce, you finna pay
What
that
if?
2 bands. That's
So
minimum.
what if that's my last two? What if I don't got nothing? What if I
Tracy
don't
don't give
got?
a
I don't
fuck.
know what to
Tracy
tell
finna
you.
take them last 2 bands.
Okay, I'm taking that 2 bands.
Tracy finna take your last, boy.
Okay, I'm
Yeah,
taking that 2 bands, nigga. I
they
don't
Punch
care
your
got
if your
two
rent.
last or
two
not. You better
bands.
goddamn, you better come up with some type of payment plan or something.
They got two
Okay.
bands. Nothing in the broker account. You hear me? Nigga heard.
Oh, so
Can't
you
even
feel
times
me?
that by 300.
Nah, that bitch by
Still,
3. Tracy
You
so you
text
still
me
better
say
doing
come up.
that?
5K.
You still doing
A
that
nigga say I
challenge?
taxed
That
it. A nigga text I texted 5K. He a goddamn lie. Who the fuck is that? What the fuck? It did.
Dog says
No,
last
who the fuck?
5K
Who the
too.
fuck sent me 5 bands, nigga? And I
No,
ain't do
who the
nothing
fuck?
with it, nigga.
Who the
Shit.
fuck? So who the
You
fuck that
sent me
was
five.
asked
You
you for
sent me
that?
$5,000, nigga. You would be rich by now, nigga. You kidding me? Fuck
Who
out
the
of here.
fuck that was asked you for $500? That nigga was dead serious.
That was a motherfucking that was a dead ass scenario. That was a Discord member. I ain't gonna expose his ass, but yeah, that was
Well, I
crazy.
had tears in my
The
fucking eye.
nigga,
That
the
shit was
nigga
so
took his
funny.
goddamn account, flipped that bitch from goddamn 500 all the way to like fucking like what that bitch said, like 32,
Four
42, some shit
four
like that. That shit was
thousand.
crazy. You see what I'm saying? And he let this shit reverse all the way back down, bro. And shit ended up hitting the stop loss. Not even break even, nigga. Stop loss. I was just like, nigga, what the fuck? And he texted me like, hey, bro. First of all, why the fuck did you
Why
even
would you
tell me
watch
you ate
that
all that?
shit, gang?
Bro, that shit was
Bro,
crazy.
my stop loss would have been at least 2,500 profit.
Yeah, I know he's hard with shit and watching that shit too. He was like, damn.
Yeah, probably. Now imagine just letting $4,000 go out the drain, nigga. I'd be madder than a bitch. Word on gang. He
Yeah,
hit me like,
That
nigga, I
nigga
just
had
lost that.
real fake. That shit turned back around. He had real fake, nigga.
Yeah,
I
he
ain't
had the
lying.
nerve to ask me to front him $500 like it's some weed or some shit. He said,
That
front me
shit
the
funny as
five, bro. I give
hell.
it back to you like it's a pound. Go on somewhere. Okay,
Nigga,
I'm
well,
gonna
nigga
make it.
will never.
I'm gonna give it back to you off my profits, but I just watched you give away $4,200. But you
You
ain't give me
can't
back
believe
shit.
that nigga.
You ain't
Niggas
give
gonna
me
never
back
see
shit.
that five. Nigga will never see
You
that
ain't never
500
gonna
in
see
their
that
fucking
500
life.
again, nigga. Oh,
Hey,
gang, it's over with.
he was gonna join a new Discord and no, it was over with.
It's over with,
Hey,
Slime.
bro,
I'll
he
never.
might as well just give you 500. Say, bro, let you trade with that bit.
You shit, nigga. You gotta pay me to trade for you. You gotta pay me big racks. I don't trade for nobody
Shit, how much we talking?
unless 10,000 plus.
10 bands. He already said he
Damn
gonna take the
10,000
most.
plus. 10,000 plus if you a
I'm gonna
trade.
charge you less to teach you how to do it yourself. You want me to do all the hard work as easy as I make this shit be for y'all niggas? You want me to do all
Yeah,
the hard work? You got to pay me $10,000, and
and
that's a service fee.
when I'm getting back up that 10.
We'll talk about it. Depends on what the fuck you throw in that account. Nigga, the $10,000 is for me, not
That
not
just
not
for
for
the
your trading account. That's for me. That's a
right.
service fee.
So
You see
I
what I'm
gotta
saying?
come with I gotta come with
Then you
another
fund
10,
up on top of that. Exactly. I'm not
bro.
trading for no nigga, bro. Nigga, I'm a nigga that traded. Y'all don't, some of y'all niggas don't know me prior to this Instagram shit or prior to this GJ Slade shit. Nigga, I've been doing this shit since 2021, bro. I was the nigga that was trading 40 plus accounts at one time. Different
On
niggas, different
God.
capital. On gang. And what happened, Domo? Shit bit me in
Shit.
the ass, didn't it?
Yeah.
Not
And
necessarily because
because niggas too, niggas be bullshitting too, cause like you would get that account up and they be trying to go on that bitch
and do that little bullshit. Now they be blaming you and shit. So I remember you did that shit, but you stopped though because niggas kept doing dumb shit.
Niggas kept doing dumb shit, bro. Niggas are going that bitch, touching the motherfucking account, fucking shit the fuck up, then blaming me. Niggas are going that bitch. Goddamn, why ain't you? I'm up X amount of money. Why ain't you close this bitch yet? Oh, you ain't pop no trades day, nigga. What you do? Not you ain't trade my account no more. Let me go a day where I got them
Yeah,
lose
that
some
shit
goddamn
stressful
money
as fuck.
on a motherfucker that most niggas that invest in you trading your account for you usually don't know shit about forex. Like nothing. They know bare fucking minimum type shit. So they don't know that losses come with the goddamn game. So every single
Yeah.
loss a nigga take, I got 40 niggas texting my phone. Hey, what's up with this, bro? You done, man, if you don't get the fuck off my dick, you know how stressful this shit is? You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like, nigga, hell no, I wouldn't do that shit again unless that shit was worth my motherfucking time. I'm gonna need 5 figures. And that's really not even worth my time. Because nigga, but that's my price for it, 10,000. Or else just goddamn pay 2,000 to learn how to do what you got themselves. 2,000 for a month or fucking 6,000 for 6 months, nigga. Pick your poison. Okay. All right.
Hey, that's 6,000 for 6 months to change your motherfucking like even that too, but that's
That's
six.
6,000 for 6K, nigga. That bitch gonna
Hey,
do it to you.
hey,
That
you
bitch
that
gonna do
nigga.
it to you.
Hey, you gonna make that?
And I'm coming to where you at. That's in person work. I'm
Oh,
coming
don't say
exactly where
that.
you at. You know, I
Don't
swear
say
to God.
that.
I'm dead ass
Hey,
serious.
hey, I
I'm
did
dead
in
ass serious.
person. It's worth it,
Oh
bro.
man, I'm coming.
So how long?
You go
So
6
how long?
months 6K. I'm coming to where you at for like a week or some shit. We gonna thug it out. I'm gonna get you right.
Ah
That's
man.
real, bro. That's real as fuck,
So that's
bro.
6,000 not counting the
That's
funded
fucking
though.
real, gang.
That's not counting the funded though, right?
Yeah, 6,000 is for the goddamn mentorship. Then you goddamn have your account, whatever much money you want to get in that bitch. 6,000 is for me to teach you, but I'm gonna bring my ass up out that bitch and sit in front of your face. We're gonna go pop shit too.
Bruh. I'm
Wherever
fucking
city
with
you
That's
that.
in,
real
nigga,
as
we
fuck,
going to
gang.
pop shit. You know what I'm saying? That's another service that I add. Not a service, obviously, but now I feel like that'll help a lot of motherfuckers. It's one thing to be on Zoom, bro, and I ain't gonna do it for everybody. Like my time is worth something. But when you invest an
Yeah.
X amount of money, I'm coming to where the fuck you at, and I'm gonna pay for it myself. I'm gonna pay for my own goddamn shit. Get me a little rental out that bitch, and we gonna thug it for about a week, nigga. And I'm gonna teach you what you need to know. The rest of the shit will be on goddamn Zoom and shit. But you gonna see me for a week for shit show. That's a 6K tab.
Bruh.
So whatever y'all want to do with that, whatever. I mean.
That's valuable for
Bruh.
sure.
It's
Nigga
beyond
said
valuable.
nigga.
Getting too
Nigga
much
might got
bang for
nigga
your
might
buck. I should charge a nigga 10,000 to even come out and see you. You see what I'm
but I said
saying?
nigga
Like
might gotta pay that nigga might pay this got pay the 10 for the whole have you out there for the whole month, huh?
nigga pay a 10, I'll stay for the whole month.
Hey,
Walk
that
nah, nigga.
fucking hey, that
I ain't
money
paying.
talk,
I
boy.
ain't staying. That money talk bullshit. Walk, nigga. Show me you ready. Show me you ready to learn, nigga. And I'm gonna show you I'm ready to teach. It's that simple. Niggas know how I get down with these
Bro.
charts, nigga. I love teaching, nigga, but nigga, this shit come with a price.
Put on
If
belt.
the price is worth it, nigga, bring your ass on. If you don't,
Put
watch
on
everybody
belt.
else eat. That's your prerogative, nigga. My prerogative, change a nigga life. Your prerogative, see the vision, see the motherfucking value, and bring your ass the fuck on. Or sit on the sidelines and keep trying to undercut me. Cause every single time y'all see a new nigga pop shit, y'all go DM him instead of DMing me like I ain't the nigga that taught him. Trying to get a cheaper price. Nigga, it's gonna stay the same. If not, he gonna charge you more. Better get your ass on and come get it from the source. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah. All right. Any more questions, nigga? It's 11 o'clock. Don about to get on this bitch soon, so I'm finna get off this bitch in a little bit. Y'all got any more questions for me?
Let's say his soft ass get on.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna see what they on. I think he should get on at 11. I think that's his goddamn yeah. So, all right, if I didn't already undercut his ass, he should be dropping the Zoom link shortly. And y'all just hop on to his shit for all my GJ Slayers. You know what I mean? All my free chat niggas, y'all know this y'all only call for the week. Y'all know how we play shit 2026. One free call a week, nigga. You want to bring your ass on, get the rest of these VIPs, live trading sessions, all that good shit. Come join the goddamn Slayers, 125 a month, 1050 lifetime. You want free signals with the boy? All you gotta do is fund up at least $250 with Hanko. DM me for the link, my personal link. Can't use no one else's link but mine. Yes, I'm gonna need that broker money on the back end for me to be giving you free trades, nigga. Yeah, I need that. So nigga, fund up 250 with my goddamn link. Send me a screenshot with finish. You get free signals with me as long as you want them, nigga. Course, 750. Come get that. Ebook, $100. Come get that. Everything else, nigga, mentorship, holla at me. Y'all know where to find me. All right. And with that being said, if y'all don't got no more questions, comments, concerns, nigga, that's a nice call, nigga. Good goddamn money. You feel me? Y'all know the plays with everything else, bro. Everything is still overly bullish, bro. So just wait for shit to goddamn play out. You know what I mean? Be patient when it comes to gold and silver, bro. These bitches is overly bullish, but don't get fucked up thinking that you know everything. You know what I mean? Wait for these pullbacks, wait for these confirmations, and wait for my signals if you don't know no better. All right. And I holler at y'all niggas. We gonna live trade on Tuesday. No red photos tomorrow, so we're gonna chill tomorrow. But I'll see y'all Tuesday for a live trading session. We're gonna get started
All
Tuesday.
right, y'all.
All right. Deuces,
All right,
y'all.
man.
Y'all have a great rest of y'all motherfucking night, man. Deuces. Okay. How the fuck I end this bitch? Where my buttons at? Damn, what the fuck?